All right, we are back live. We are going to be talking about Shiba Inu here. Shiba Inu making some great jumps as we speak. Going to send out a bat signal here on Twitter as well. Yeah, guys, we're trying to find out what's going on right now, why it's spiking. Obviously, it's good. Just put out a video on Sheba too. Shout out to Mark Jansen, who quickly alerted me that this was going on. And as you can see right here, we're watching live coin watch right now. We're watching the price here in the 24-hour period. We can even zoom in here in a minute. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome, everybody. Sheba is on the rise right now, so we're watching closely. Welcome, welcome. All right, so some great action here going on with Sheba. Let's take a look. Here it is on the coin market cap chart. So guys, we were consolidating all day long. Look at this consolidation we've been talking about over the 7-day period too. Look at the consolidating here as we load this up. Jumping from 32nd, 33rd early this morning already now to number 30. So a nice pop here in the price coming off this consolidation. Is this the start to a major run up? As you guys are coming in, make sure you smash the like button. We're going to try to get some information, see what's going on here. But here's what we're looking at right now. Look at this, right around 12:05. Right in here, 12:10, 12:15, we saw this thing just run up like crazy here. Look at the volume as well. So we bounced up here, came crashing down. Now we're setting new highs here. Yeah, George, welcome in, man. Chilorio 101, Sheep to $1. Yes, man. Eventually, huh? That would be great. So we could see some of the other information. What I'm going to do right now in the meantime here as we keep this chart up, I'm going to pull up Google Trends and just see what else we can find out in terms of why this is popping right now. Willie Deep, what up, man? New here, welcome to the stream, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. Welcome. Glad you're joining us, man. We're taking a look at the Shiba Inu chart right now, popping. It won't hit $1, but maybe 0.0001 maybe. Yeah, I think eventually maybe 1 cent, George. I think, you know, the amount of people that that would do okay if it hit 1 cent. You know, there's a lot of people that, obviously $1 sounds great, right? But I think a lot of people would be happy with 1 cent too. You know, a lot of people have billions of dollars, or billions of coins rather, right? Millions and billions of coins. So, yeah, 1 cent could definitely help out, right? Okay, let's take a look at some of the trends. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Let's get those likes up. 28 people hanging out with us. Only 6 likes. Let's get up over 10. That's our first mark. Hector, what's going on? We're gonna do Google Trends here. Man, it's been a crazy day. Just put out a couple videos this morning, and then all of a sudden, this news breaks. So I figured I'd hop on here with all of you and try to get some insight here, get some information. We're gonna scour Twitter together as well, see what else we can find. Willie, you have 300 million. Nice, brother. I've got 30, so you've got another 0 there on me. But yeah, a lot of people on here, you know, they'll talk about how many they have, Willie, and you're not alone. A lot of people are big into Shiba Inu. So let's take a look at the Google Trends here, see what we can find in terms of anything going on. Of course, we want to bring this back in past hours where we've seen a lot of action. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, down here, 1:17 p.m. So you saw this is the minute by minute. So there was a huge spike here in search from down in here up. So let's take it back out past 4 hours, see what else we can get. Also, let's compare Shiba Inu with Shib. Or let's do Sheba. So anybody new here, we are checking out the price right now. Shiba Inu popping nicely here off of some consolidation. Big jumps here. So we're trying to get to perhaps the reason for that. We don't know. Of course, Shiba swap is imminent. Perhaps we're going to get maybe some news on that front. Maybe it's just due to the recent consolidation that we've seen. You know, we've been talking about how this has been consolidating for quite some time. Let me pull up messages here. Mark, the man, alerted me to this. Shout out to Mark one more time. But this is something I've been referring to a lot lately, which I really like. So this is the cyclical nature of Sheba. So, you know, last time we saw the spike in April, dropping 77%. Right after that, consolidated for 16 days. Saw a huge spike, right? 2,800%. Here we are in May, dropping 66. Right now, we've been consolidating for just about 2 weeks. Okay, almost we're right on the heels of 2 weeks of consolidation here. When is that next spike? Is it in the process of that next spike right now? Could be. So this is something we've been tracking closely, and look at how much it's increased after each spike. So here's the spike in January, 430%. Spike in March. We skipped over February, where there was a large, lot of consolidating there in February. And then 1900, 2800. So if this trend continues, what does this spike look like? What is the percentage that we get, and is this the start of it? That's the question. Welcome in everybody that's new. Hector, what's going on? Shiba Army to the moon. How you doing, brother? Willie, I have 300 million. Nice. Probably might hit 4-hour resistance at 1164. Yeah, that is one resistance level we're watching, George. Good insight. We talked about that, I think, in the video we put out too, pretty recently. Eric, what's going on, man? Welcome back. J Gam, how you doing? Hey, Zach, just got here. What's going on with Shib? Trying to get to some information, but it's spiking right now. That's what we do know, J Gam. It's spiking. Mark Jansen, you're welcome, brother. Mark, what's going on, man? Appreciate you alerting me to that, man. I was working on a couple other projects, and Mark sent me a tweet, and figured I'd hop on, go live real quick, talk about Shiba Inu right now because it's popping. Good morning, Shiba Army. Armand, what's going on, man? Welcome, welcome. The Thing, what's up? What's going on, The Thing? How you guys doing? Muhammad, what's going on, man? Holding 30 mil. Hope it'll, yeah, me too, man. Holding 30 mil myself. Market cap is huge, yeah, man. And we're moving up in the market cap right now, too, up to number 30. How about that? I just put out the video on Sheba, and I said, man, I would love to get back into the top 30, right? And it's like, man, right on cue, this thing is popping all of a sudden. So up 10% now in the 24-hour period. Gotta love it. So let's take a look at the around all the crypto space real quick. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Getting some good news on Sheba. We're going to talk about it, break it down. Eric, I dropped everything when I saw the words price surge. I hear you, brother. It is surging. It's nice. So there's Polygon down right now a little bit. But, okay, we come on down. Here's Sheba, 11%. Let's take a look at the biggest movers just to kind of see where we're at. Okay, biggest movers, Sheba's right up there. XRP is also up right now, all around the same time. These charts look pretty similar here, right? Solana making some nice moves. Sushi Swap as well. Okay. Anthony, let's go Shiba Army to the moon. How you doing, brother? Welcome back. Welcome back. Guys, if you're new here, smash the like button for us. Subscribe to the channel. And welcome to the community. Welcome to the team. So Shiba Inu right now up almost 10%. We're watching that closely here on the live chart there. You can see the big pop, big spike coming off of our consolidation that's been going on for a while, right? It's been really quiet. Usually quiet is good too. Not a lot of price movement, not a lot of price action. You know, you look at the 24-hour period just before this latest pop, it's been really fluctuating between the 08 and 07 level. I mean, there's not a lot of fluctuation outside that. We talked about that in the most recent video I just put out on Sheep, and then, of course, right when I hit publish, I get the tweet from Mark, and this thing's spiking or surging right now. So, all right, let's bought 100 mil on the dip. Nice, let's go. Nice, let's go have some fun fishing. Nice, man. Kurt, what up, Sheba family? Got into Sheba back in Feb. 2.3 billion for 20 bucks. Hodl, hodl, hodl. Nice. Also a fan of XRP. Kurt, welcome to the stream. Not sure if you're a first-time viewer, listener, but welcome, brother. If you are, make sure you like and subscribe. Glad to have you. Sean got 333 million coins. Nice, bro. Nice. Hector, hello, everyone. What's up, man? Eric, I dropped everything when I saw. Okay, got that. Armand, great to crypto, Horizon, Sheba, Alexa. Armand, you're the man. Mark, very curious on why Sheba's spiking. Yeah, very curious too on why Sheba's spiking. So let's see if we can, let's see what we can find out here. Salvador, thanks for the like. You guys, of course, can follow me on Twitter. It's at @Z_Humphreys right down here. So let's check out, let's go Shiba Inu. Let's see if we can scour and see what's going on. See if there's any latest. We'll go top first, see if anything pops. So Indodax did get added here And Burency got added. Kai Green continuing to tweet about SHIB token, which is good. So there have been a couple recent exchanges. Open deposit here on June 2nd will be available on Indodax. And from what I'm hearing, Indodax, pretty large network. So this will be nice in Indonesia. So based out of Indonesia, they'll be able to buy and sell. Indonesia is the fourth highest population behind the United States in the world. Fun fact of the day. Jeremy, India is picking up sheep. I think so, man. I think so. Check Rocket Crypto channel. He explains why Shiba Inu eventually will reach $1. I think I have checked out some of Rocket Crypto. He does have some cool stuff out there. You know, $1, it would have to be a really high market cap, Chilorio. But is it possible? Perhaps one day. I wouldn't say it's imminent in the next 5 years, though. I just think it takes time. It takes a lot of time for these projects to develop. Think of Dogecoin and how long it's taken for something like Dogecoin to get to the 1 cent level, let alone you know, come to the 75-cent level, and still hasn't hit $1, right? So it does take a long time, and I don't see that being any different here with Shiba Inu. But you know, that's why you hodl. That's why you buy and hodl, buy the dips and hold. If you're in it for the long term, you've got a chance. Okay, you've got a chance. Usually, people who hold, you know, 3, 4, 5 years in crypto usually always come out profitable. It's the people who sell off quick, try to make a quick buck, try to time the market. They usually get caught, you know, and ended up losing money. So that's the mindset I've adopted. Sean, what's up? Imagine when Robinhood says yes. Now that would be huge. That would be huge. Let's go latest here and see what else we can find out. Shiba Inu to the moon and beyond. So I'm going along for the ride. Nice. We got the GIFs going, the memes going. Finally swapped over to T-King. Already doubled. Okay. That was a nice pump. Yep. Some people talking about it. You're pretty invested. Okay. Finally swapped. Okay. Okay. Shiba token, sign this petition. Yeah, this is a nice petition going on, guys, for Robinhood. So we've talked about this on stream a little bit, and I myself have already signed it. So it'll be nice if we can continue to get people on board for us. Tristan Luke is the guy that put this thing together. So it's awesome. This continues to grow. I know more and more people are aware of this this petition going around. So if you haven't signed it, make sure you find it and sign it. Better than Dogecoin to the moon. Shiba Inu coin to the moon. Oh man, we're getting some nice memes and GIFs. There we go. Is around the world. Nice, nice. Yep, yep. Okay. Let's go Shiba Inu news, and then we're going to pull up Google and see if there's any jumping articles that catch our attention. And guys, if you guys find a reason why we're spiking right now, please drop that in the comment section, in the chat. We want to get all the insight from anybody who has some. So make sure you also like this video so we can get more and more people in here. You know, more brains are better than less brains. Get a bunch of people, you know, trying to figure out what's going on and why it's spiking right now. Here it is again, guys. We're seeing some nice price movement here in the last hour or so. So 12:15 is where we saw it initially start to pop, and again, still trending upwards after it's dipped back down. So we're heading back up here. Currently, the market cap now up to 4.7 billion. Let's take a look at that, make sure that's right, because it was at 3.1. Okay, that's a little off. Okay, I think their market cap is a little off here. Let's go by this one here. The pricing is also a little bit different here too, so we'll have to see which one is a little bit behind. But Shiba Inu here, it was 3.1 when I created the video. 3.1 in market cap, now already up to almost 3.5. So this is coming from Coin Market Cap. And let's refresh this now because getting a lot of fluctuation. It was 30th ranked, already dropped back down to 32, but nonetheless, still looking really nice here on the charts. And we'll allow that to refresh. Let's pop back over, see if there's anything else latest here. Shiba Inu news here. Okay, okay. Bum, bum, bum. Fanbase and notes. Passionate following. eToro says the app added Dogecoin. That would be another one, eToro, if they perhaps added Shiba Inu. Hey, there's our tweet right there about our live stream right there. Let's see what else is going on. Okay, nothing else really to note here. This is the Robinhood petition going on. All right, let's pop back over here. Check out. Okay, yeah, we are seeing a nice pop in the trend lines here in the U.S. Let's go worldwide. See what else we can find. We can see here right about noon, we're seeing a lot more people search. Yeah, look at this, guys. Interesting. Here's your worldwide past 4 hours. So, you know, we're seeing a lot of buying. We're also seeing a lot of trend upwards here. People interested in the asset here. This is what people are searching. Shiba Inu and Sheba. Look at this. From 1211 up here, we've seen a nice pop. So we're trying to get to the reason why, but nonetheless, it's good, right? We're seeing some great positive jump here, great action. We'll try to even get in a little bit tighter, perhaps. I think if Zoom would allow us to get in, let's see, linear versus long. So we got, there's the volume too. A lot of selling back, but then they bought right back in. So a lot of whales in here right now. Here's the volume, 548 billion right now. A lot of volume. So this is good. This is good. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in, everybody that's new. What's the next big spike? How much will it be? We could see some resistance at the 11 mark here. So we're pushing up to the 09 mark. If we can get through the 11 mark, man, we could really break through. So we do have our next line of resistance on the high side is at the 11 mark, just over that. India's picking up sheep. I'm holding 2 billion. I'm looking to buy more. Nice, Otega. Otega, welcome to the stream too, man. Welcome. Guys, welcome in. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe. Hopefully you're getting some value here already. Nathan Hall, if they burn more coins, couldn't it be here quicker? No doubt it would help us because then it would just, you know, from supply and demand, it would make us, it would make what we have, what we own, more valuable if they were to burn more, Nathan. Welcome to the stream too, brother. Chris, 121.1 million sheep. Keep it for a year or two. Love it. Love it, Chris. Mark, Sheba will have Shiba swap, so it could go way faster than Doge, especially with staking. Good point, Mark. Burning is not an option. The devs have no control over the tokens. There you go. Good insight. Mark's another one, guys, that has a lot of great information. Got a couple mods in here, so I appreciate you guys. Mark and Armand. I'm holding HODL, Kishu, and Shibu. Nice, straight family. Nice. The website is down. Everyone's assuming they're loading up Shiba Swap. Interesting. Website's down right now? All right, let's roll over and see if we can get on the website right now. Maybe Shiba Swap is rolling out. That could be. Picking and grinning, thanks for the follow. SHIB token. Closing in on 550,000 followers. Let's see if we can go to the website right here. Shiba token. Okay, it loads up on my end. So website is loading up on my end. Steve, the Canadian, we do have it loading up over here. So how to buy, of course, it's still just SHIB and Leash. Shiba Swap, nothing new here. They've had this blurb here for a while. This is the venture I'm really open to hearing about. I think this could be a huge catalyst, the NFT space. Amazon Smile, also a nice PR move, I would say, too. And just getting in with a big company like Amazon is smart. But the NFT space is the one that I think really could set Shiba into another stratosphere. And when it comes to meme coins, because you know not a lot of the meme coins have dominated that space yet, and there's a lot of room to grow within the NFT space. All right, guys, over 100 people in here. We need to get to 50 likes, right? We need to get to 50 likes. So if you're just popping in, make sure you smash the like button. Would appreciate that. We're watching the charts right now. Welcome in. Getting some good price action here on Shiba Inu. Everybody new to the stream, and anybody new to the stream, welcome. Welcome to our community. Anybody that's returning, welcome back. Sorry I've been away for a couple days. Had my sister's wedding, so Spent a lot of time with family, so I just put out a couple videos today. Had to get back at it this morning and start putting some things out. So I put a couple videos out, one on Shiba Inu actually right before we went live, and then another actually on my top 10 cryptocurrencies to invest in right now. So you'll see these videos right over here, Sheba, and top 10 crypto to invest in right now. Check those out later on. All right, let's take a look at some of the news articles, see if there's anything breaking here with news, and we will break it down here by date just to see if what's going on here. Nice, up over 50 likes. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. That helps. That helps push this out to some different people. All right, let's see here. Shiba Inu news, sort by date. Nothing here that I could see, right? Cardano hitting 5 in 2021. We've talked about that here on stream. Crypto trading in India. Interesting. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu are some of the popular cryptocurrencies out of India. So that's interesting. Will SHIB price rally in June? That's one of the things we talked about in the video I put out today. Okay, so nothing breaking. Let's just click this and see what they talk about here in terms of Shiba Inu. We'll do a quick search for Shiba Inu inside this article. So we'll do Control F and hit Shiba. So there is a couple things here. What is Cardano? Okay, we should tell you that Shiba Inu is another coin that dominates Japan in terms of cryptocurrencies. Interesting. Okay, pop down here. Can Shiba Inu hit $1 in 2021? Not too much there. Okay, this is just things from the sidewall. Let's take a look at this. Can it reach $1? Let's take a look at this and just see what's going on. We've got a pop-up ad here. And then they get into Cardano. Will it hit $5? So I was actually going to try to look at this article right here. Let's take a look. Shiba Inu coin to reach $1 by 2025. Will Shiba Inu token hit $1 or not? Is it a safe investment in 2021? Let's see here. Let's see if we can scan. Will it reach one? Well, talking about possibilities, the answer would be yes. The kind of image it has created and the potential it has can make that possible. The financial aspect of things, it would be tough, in my opinion, right now to hit $1, but it is possible. They're saying it'll hit the $1 mark most probably by 2025. Do not forget that Shiba Inu coin has shown 150% growth. This too is just a mere 2-month span. That's true. Sky is the limit for Shiba Inu. So recent history, they talk about more than 7 billion this month, lost because of huge coins burnt by Vitalik. 90% of his coins, donated the rest. It's caused a massive 40% decline in it. Still, the Shiba Inu coin has not given up. It's fighting strongly on the market. Any other coin would have vanished after much loss, but this high potential, it will give Shiba Inu a long run. We did talk about that early on when we heard about, the Vitalik news. I talked about how important it would be for SHIB to remain around that top 30 in market cap with everything going on. And what have they done? I mean, they've stayed right there, right around the top 30 in market cap. So that is certainly a huge, huge positive factor that you've got enough hodlers, even with the market being manipulated right now with a lot of selling going on. You still have a base of Shiba Inu long-term holders, which I think is great to see. Let's see where we're at right now. Sitting right now at 32nd, 85.27 level right now. So still right around that top 30. I think that's solid, very, very solid for SHIB. So let's go back over here. So they get into a brief background. Bright future ahead. Okay, big bulls game to the low price. Game is easily controlled by big bulls. They can control a huge unit of it, have control over the market. Easy to invest and easy to control is the simple tactic out here, talking about some of the big whales who could come in and boost the price quickly because of how cheap the price of Shiba Inu coin is. High potential and range. Biggest strengths of Shiba Inu is its likeliness in the market. It's got a huge customer base to support and massive acknowledgement. We talked about this as well when it got into the market in India. Of course, more and more people were going to know about this, right? When the token was being used to help fight COVID over there in India. Sandeep Nawal, the co-founder of Polygon, said some nice things about the Shiba Inu community, which I thought was really, really good as well. And also strategically said that they would only use 10% of the gifted Shiba Inu from Vitalik at a time because they didn't want to hurt the price drastically. You know, this one time, you know, boom, hit to the price. Instead, kind of going about it strategically. I think that wasn't talked about enough. I know a lot of people may have kind of glossed over the fact that Sandeep Nawal, co-founder of Polygon, was heading up the crypto or the COVID relief fund. So he knows a lot about crypto, right? There was definitely a connection there. So I think that was really good. You know, I think eventually too, my big point was, you know, this gets out to more and more people in India. So I think it's way more of a positive than a negative. So, okay, to succeed in the crypto market, survival, patience, research. The cryptocurrency market is not a place for dumpsters. You must be updated on everything. Patience, it's a long marathon, not a sprint, right? Talk about this all the time as well. This goes for any asset, any kind of investing. Keep moving slowly, steadily to win the race. Hurrying up is no option here. Stay calm and win. Mentioned right at the top of the live here. Those who stay in it 3 to 5 years in crypto usually always make money. They get returns. It's the people trying to get in, get out, get in, get out constantly that usually get burned. So keep that in mind. As you know, you can make a quick buck in the short term, but it's tough to time the market. It's tough to time the market. All right, let's refresh this real quick. Worldwide here, take it out. Shiba Inu trends, just to kind of get another update here on the spikes. And then we'll go take a look at the live chart here right after that. Welcome in everybody that's new. New goal, 75 likes. We got 185 popping in with us. Glad you guys can join us here on a Monday afternoon. So go ahead and smash that like button for us. Let's get up to 75. Anybody new here, welcome. I'll be popping back over to the chat here in just a minute. Okay, so some nice trends here we're starting to see on Shiba Inu. Let's go back over. John Drew, any news on the final audit? Nothing yet. People were saying the site is down, but on my end, I'm able to see the site. So some people were saying it was down. I don't think it is on my end, at least. This looks to be ready to go. Shiba Inu is skyrocketing. Yes, it is. Welcome, Khan. Welcome. Maximus, 2 billion and counting. Nice. Cloud Life, I'm new to the stream. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Appreciate you hopping on here. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new here. Cloud Life, thanks for popping in, man. Appreciate you. 3D printing, Doctor. Indodax is the reason for the pump. Okay, 3D printing, yeah, it could be Indodax, but it's not going to be available till June 2nd, June 3rd. So that's why that one kind of threw me off, but you could be right. You could be right in terms of Indodax. You know, just released 9 hours ago. Pleased to announce new crypto asset will be added here. It's in Indonesia as well. Indonesia, 4th highest population in the world, just under United States. China and India, 1 and 2. So it is a very populated place, Indonesia. Some of you, you know, we may not think of it that way, but it is. So that's reaching a nice segment of the world population right there in Indonesia. So that could be a big reason for the spike. We're seeing some nice positive movement here. Let's pop back over to chat here. MD is huge. What's going on? Let's see. Home in Florida. Could Shiba hit 0.05 in 2021? It would take a lot to get to there. Let's try to get back to all-time highs, I would say, in 2021. I think that would be really nice. And then 2022, we could maybe take off from there and maybe get closer, maybe to a quarter of a cent in 2022. I think that would be a nice positive movement. Remember, guys, that kind of increase is huge, too. For this thing to get to 1 cent, it has to do a lot still, okay? Punks Gaming, Shiba will be in the moon. Nice. What else do we got? Kenstrumental Music, I'm with you, Kyler. Nice. Shiba to the moon, Armand, the man. I'm a diamond holder, diamond hodler. Nice. Edwin, is it really spiking? Yeah, right here, man. It's spiking for sure. We're getting off this consolidation line, and boom. I mean, that's a big pop. So right around 1210, you know, all the way up into here at 1250. Because it's been hovering this 0.07, 0.08 for a long time, this consolidating. So it's good to see this big pop. Why did the price not change after VB burnt almost 50%? Well, it did change, maybe not as much as people thought, though, Christian. Zabala, but welcome to the stream, brother. Glad to have you. BD1YT, would they burn more Sheba this year? Mark Jansen says they couldn't burn more Sheba. You know, if somehow more Sheba was burnt, it would be a positive for anybody who holds it. But the fact that, you know, the devs might not have made that possible, you know, I think instead of looking at this from, you know, can we burn more coins, I just think we need bigger catalysts right now. We need Shiba Swap to come out. We need some more exchanges. We're getting, you know, some of the smaller exchanges. But if a big exchange like a Coinbase or Robinhood came out, man, that would be a big catalyst. That would be something to really drive the price. Lambo in my garage when I sleep, Mark, nice. Where's the Lambo? Let's go ham. Nice. Welcome back, bro. Drew, get the likes up. Yeah, man. Appreciate you, Drew. Get those likes up. We're up at 80. Smash that like button. We're getting more and more people to add in their 2 cents, and we're watching the price together. Mobile, 439188. What's up, brother? 0.001 this year? That'd be tough, man. But, you know, hey, man, we'll have to wait and see. Check Twitter, Zach. Mark got you, brother. Appreciate you, man. Mark's always dropping in some great insights. So let's see what we got here. Screenshot from Satoshi. Okay, interesting. And this is a YouTuber also who talks about Shiba Inu. I've watched some of his stuff. He does a nice job as well. I'm thinking I did not plan for a speech. I just wanted to say this is today at 1:20. Happy birthday. This is part of the reason I began to talk less. Now, again, is this the real Satoshi? I mean, we got to take this with a grain of salt. But if it is, this could be great. So let me just give a random update now that Ryoshi has gone and said lots. First, this delay sucks. But everybody, I have my people send me updates on various security issues. And I think how grateful I am that our third internal audit found a potential exploit. A sneaky one. Needless to say that the dev is no longer with us. As a result, we rebuilt from the bottom up with a new team and someone I personally trust and I'm fully doxed with. The entire new dev team was fully doxed, and we built the swap from a security-first mindset while focusing on how to not change the wallpaper/design of the swap. And they did it in record time. Because my peoples are badasses, like I am. While they worked out that angle, we tested the old swap with the admins, keeping the new code base to ourselves so anyone cloning us gets wrecked. This is the war, right? So I play like it is. Meanwhile, I have been in touch with multiple representatives to take Shiba Inu as a brand to the next level by attacking multiple verticals. This will require a global effort in a few key cities where biz takes place. Finally, I've been working on acquisition that will give us enhanced capabilities on L2, Layer 2, and a second partnership to move us beyond and grow utility for our family of tokens. This is an L2 Ethereum-based token, guys. So I'm supposed to talk about this daily, but how am I supposed to get the world out, give the world our trade secrets? I'm not just a dev. You don't know me, people. I am well versed in tech and have worked at multiple Fortune 500 companies, including a few. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Great insight, Mark. We'll have to wait and see if that's what is going on. You know, if they created this in record time, we should be seeing Shiba Swap very soon. I have not seen any updates yet to the site. Welcome in, everybody that's new. Let's get that number up to 100 likes. We're at 89 right now. We need 11 more people to smash that like button. Help us out. Push this out to all people interested in Shiba Inu. We need all the insight we can because we're building a community that's helping one another here, and that's what it's all about. So, nothing new on the site that I can see. Nothing's changed here. Nothing's changed on the Shiba Swap section. Of course, we got the petition on Robinhood. We should definitely continue to do that. Here's the live pricing, so we're seeing a nice pop. Let's refresh this here, kind of see where we're at right now. We'll continue to scour news. If you guys find anything. Okay, so now we're selling off a little bit, guys. So we sold off, but here we go. We're heading back up again. Look at the volume way up here at 125. And then we've sold off here recently, but still, look what happened last time we sold off. We popped right back up. We're already trending back upwards. So a lot of price manipulation right now, a lot of whales in here, but this is good. Seeing some good positive action here. Okay, Kamel down and dumping. Yeah, we're just seeing some spikes and dumps right now, or, you know, pump and dumps, if you will. But I mean, overall, from 1205, we've come up a long way. So still overall looking nice. We'll see if we bounce right back up. See if we did it here. We set a new high, and then we back down. We'll see how much we head back upwards now. International Alliance, I agree. Find it weird. Maximum supply has not changed, and dead wallet is still #1 holder. Yeah. Did anyone predict Dogecoin rise? SHIB will rise in due time. Burn, no burn. Yeah, Cloud Life, I hear you, man. It takes time, right? Doge was kind of stable for a long time. Took a while. Felix, buy Leash, people. Yeah, Leash is the asset that is available here within the ecosystem. Now, Leash was originally set to kind of be pegged to the price of Dogecoin. Instead, now it's been unleashed and will not rebase. Only 100K tokens in circulation of Leash. So very different than the asset Sheba, which there are trillions, right? I mean, there's a ton of different, ton of Sheba tokens out there. So with Leash, though, very limited supply of 100K. So that is a part of the ecosystem that you can get into right now. You cannot buy Bone yet, but will be available to be bought soon. Penalty for selling is possibly losing a lot of money someday. K Panther, what's a penalty for selling? Mark, the dev send 50% to Uniswap, 50% to VB, so they don't have control anymore. Yeah, that's a good point. So yeah, 50% went to Uniswap, 50% to VB. VB, obviously we know what he did with his tokens. Ryoshi equals Satoshi. Yeah, Ryoshi is Satoshi. Okay, thanks TRX, appreciate that. Dude, nice. Moni Fam Life, I know so many coins. Yeah, Moni Fam Life, welcome back to the stream too. J Will, what's up? What's up, J Will? Welcome back, bro. Fo 20 Sheba, let's pump this up. Everyone put in $100 right now. Let's see how high we can get this. I love it, man. That's what the community's all about, bro. Mark, they can't burn any tokens anymore, guys. Yeah, Mark, appreciate you guys jumping in there with that insight. They can no longer burn any tokens. VB had access to obviously 50%, so that was his choice. But the other 50% now belong to Uniswap. So, Mark, great insight as always, brother. Doge rise costs Elon, nothing else. Jeff B, how much is Leash? Let's see if we can get the price if we pull up Leash. Let's do. We would have to connect a wallet. Let's see if somebody else in chat knows. I'm not sure. I do not own Leash yet. I only own Sheba right now. How much is Leash? If somebody knows that, answer Jeff's question. That'd be great. Put in $50 this morning on the hard dip. Oh, Steve the Canadian. Canadiano. Nice. So you're probably up right now. Elijah, what's up, man? Let's go. Elijah Pritchard, welcome to the stream. Up over 100 likes. Thank you, guys. Very grateful for that. Awesome. Now the goal is 125. 125 likes, so smash the like button. Let's get some more people in here with more insight. Build a community that's built on everybody sharing information, and that's what this is all about. That's what the Dogecoin, all these meme coins, that's what it's all about. We help each other grow. Let's refresh this and see if we got any more action here. Okay, so still trending up a little bit. Let's refresh it here. Okay, yeah, we're still heading up, guys. So here's the latest update, 155, so we're heading back upwards. Look at the volume right now. It's just firing up there. All right, let's go back over here, see if there's any new news out here. Let's check here. We'll click down. We want to go all the way back here. All right, guys, appreciate that. Up over 125 likes already. Thank you. Almost 350 people in here. Good afternoon. Welcome, everybody. Everybody that's new, like, subscribe, join the community. Glad you're here. We've got a great group of people here with great insight. So if you want to join a community like that, you found the right place. So let's go Google here. Sorry, guys. If I could type, right? It'd be a little easier. Shiba Inu. Let's see what's up. Let's see what else is going on. Positive vibes, good energy all the time. Armand, all the time. From everybody in here. That's what it's all about. That's what That's what we stress here on this channel. Positive vibes, constant growth, helping each other out in all facets of life, including cryptocurrencies, including stocks, including which books to read, how to best put yourself in a position to win in the next 10 years and succeed. So, all right, let's sort by date. 38 minutes ago. Okay, this is the latest article. We've already read this one. Nothing new here. Interesting. Okay. We'll pop back over to Twitter and see if we can find anything. Mark, appreciate this again. Thanks, brother. Thanks for sending that over. Let's go back and explore. Let's see if there's anything we can find by just a quick Shiba Inu search here. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in, everybody that's new. Welcome, welcome. Always a good sign when Shiba's getting mainstream attention. Interesting. In particular in India, seeing Shiba mentioned together with ETH, Doge, and BTC is a sign that Shiba's adoption is getting bigger and bigger and attracts more interest from investors. Love to see this. Shiba Informer, nice. Shiba Informer's got a nice following. Okay, we follow him already. Mark's already in there too. We got a few people who follow us that's in there. Eric Sykes is in there, holding coins. Richard the Great, he's one of our OGs. Alex Zal's in there as well. Nice. Okay, yeah, I agree. Anytime you're mentioned with ETH, you know, BTC, and in India, which is 1.38 billion people. Anybody in here from India? Drop in chat. Drop in chat where you're from. Drop in chat where you're from. Give yourself a shout out. Jeff B, thanks. Felix answered it. Nice. Use textiles, man. Leash. There you go. Monty Fam Life, I think it's like a few thousand. There it is. 1,800. Mario Perez got it. Leash is on Hotbit. There it is. Mark coming in with the price as well. Nice. Holding Bro from Sweden. Ayad, nice. Welcome in from Sweden. I'd say between 50 and 75 cents in a few years, but I believe 1 cent is only a short time away. If Doge with no purpose can do it. I hear you, Steve. Yeah, I hear you, Steve. Simran, I was thinking of buying more Sheba, but I'm confused. Should I buy on Binance or on Trust Wallet? They say on the website best place is Uniswap. I could tell you though, I get mine at crypto.com. It's nice over there. You can quickly, in a couple hours, get accepted into their system, and within just a couple hours, you're able to buy and sell. Laton, what's up from Canada? I hold 71 million Sheba. Welcome in from Canada. Glad to have you, Chris. There's the price of leash for you again. Simran, welcome. Fo20, welcome. Let's see. Let's run the likes up, guys. Good info going on here. Always, Steve. Appreciate that. Let's get up to 150, guys. Got over 350 right here on stream live. Let's get up to 150. You guys can smash that like button. Get us up to 150. Let's try to get 400 people. Let's try to get 400 concurrent viewers in here right now. Spreading good vibes. Crashbot, what's going on? Hodl Dogecoin. Nice. Rio Grams, what's up? What's the difference in the 20 SHIB and RC20 SHIB? Not sure, Rio. Maybe somebody else can help you out there. Not sure there. Orange County, CA, what's up? Jacksonville, Florida, nice. That's what I use. Sell after 3 years. Nice. Oakland, California, Rodney, what's up? Jay Will, you may have talked about this, but check out. Okay. Let's go check out that tweet. Jay Will, appreciate you, man. Always dropping some good insight. Nishal Shetty, got it. On Twitter 4 hours ago. India wants crypto. Founder, CEO of Wurzix. I can't always pronounce this, but this is a huge exchange, the biggest in India. So crypto has won in India. We won. That's March 20th. Trending right now, 5 minutes ago. India wants crypto. Nice. Very interesting. Thank you, RBI. 4 hours ago, so we got to go back a little bit. Interesting. India wants crypto. So you're talking about this one here, right? Is this the one you're talking about? Jay Will? Let's pull this open here. See what this is going. Let's see what this is about. Customer due diligence for transactions. Okay. Great info related to what's trending right now on Twitter. India wants crypto. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, official notification from the RBI about crypto. And it's come to our attention. Interesting. Okay, so this is the official bank here. Just scanning this real quick. As such, in view of the orders, circular no valid. Cannot be cited or quoted from. Interesting. This is good news on that front in terms of India and cryptocurrency. Okay, great insight. Check out, I'm on YouTube, cat meme. Thanks, Queen. Appreciate you, man. Let's go back over. Back over here. Let's just refresh this just to see if the site's still operating. Yeah, I'm still able to refresh it. It's still good. Let's check out the live chart here. We'll refresh that. Hello from Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Nice. Welcome from Saudi. Let's see who else is in here. Matthew, that's what I use. All right, holding 3.6 mil. Nice, nice, nice. Sheep go roof. Here we go, guys. Firing back up. Look at that. So we got some big whales in here right now. Look at this. Firing back up again. Interesting, interesting. Lori, where to purchase Leash? Right here, right on the site. You could purchase Leash. It'll take you over to Uniswap. So buy Leash right here on shibtoken.com. Why Shiba not pump much? Give it time, Litton. Give it time. It is pumping right now a little bit, though. We are getting some nice pump action right now. From Nepal, Milan. Welcome from Nepal. Welcome, welcome. Shapal will still run off the original Ether system. Right, it is an Ethereum-based token, yeah. Shout out from LA, California. Gary Doyle, what's up, man? Hopefully you guys are liking and subscribing. If you're new here, Milan, should we hold it? I have 20 million. Milan, I have 30 million, and yes, I am holding. So if that helps you out, that's just where I'm coming in on that side of things. All right, guys, thanks so much. This has been awesome so far. We're just hanging out. We're going to hang out for quite a while today. Got some time here, so while we're here, make sure you like, subscribe. Appreciate you. Ruby, welcome back, man. Welcome back to the stream. Haven't seen you in a little while, Ruby. How you doing? Let's get the likes up, guys, too. Let's get up to 175. We've got 360 concurrent viewers. Let's get up to 175. I think that'll push us to that 400 mark. Prince Matthew, when will Shiba reach 1 cent? Haven't really put a date on it, but, 2023 would be like my really bullish case for 1 cent. I think we get to a ½ cent by 2022. 2023, I think we can get there, though. Road to Spain, Armand, one of our top dogs. Armand, appreciate you, brother. Crypto D, what's up, man? Daniel from Malaysia, what's going on? Hardy, how many do you own? 30 mil, PK. So, I don't have a ton in the grand scheme of things. I know a lot more people have more than me, right? But it is an asset I like. But I have a lot more invested into Ethereum, a lot more invested into Polygon and Cardano and Dogecoin for that matter. So those are just, Chainlink is another one I really like. So you could see, kind of which ones I invest in when you go over to my channel. If you go to videos, you can start to see, well, he's talking about Chainlink, he's talking about VeChain, he's talking about Shib, he's talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin. So you get a pretty decent idea of which ones, I like, just by checking that out. Mario, Shiba Swap, yeah, hopefully it's coming, man. Hopefully it's here soon. A little dite. Want to buy more Sheba before it pumps, but I have to wait until the money reaches my second bank account. Yeah, I hear you, bro. Sammy, thanks for doing the stream. No problem, man. Thanks for being here. Bill, 300 mil. Let's go. Nice, Bill. Nice, brother. Gary, love Polygon. Yeah, one of my favorite, Gary. One of my favorite, brother. Put out a video on Polygon, actually, right here. $50 Polygon by 2025. Good video if you haven't checked this one out. Want some more insight on what Polygon is, why I'm so bullish on it, why it works hand in hand with Ethereum. So if you like Ethereum, you probably should like Polygon as well. Check out that video if you haven't checked it out already. I think you'll learn something in that one. Frank, let's go to the moon. Let's go. Let's go. Max, dope. Bought this junk yesterday. Nice. Max, whoa. That was a perfect time to get in, brother. Every day you're coming lives. Every day you're coming. Yeah, pretty much, Litton. I missed a couple days. The past couple days, I've been with family a lot. I had my sister's wedding So of course that took precedence. So I wasn't able to do the live streams for the past couple days. But before then, I was doing it every day for the last couple weeks. So plan to go back to it, man. I might even do another one later tonight. Who knows? Might even do 2 live streams. Some days I've been doing 2 live streams just to continue to jump on. I'm learning from all of you, build a nice community here. So namaste from India, Pride of Bengal. How you doing, Mac? Mark Murphy, rather 200 mil, nice. Tyler, did you ever think Doge would hit a penny? I know, right? And then it did. What else do we got here? Werner, what's up, man? Charles, how you doing? Intrepid, what's up? Just increased my holdings to 375 mil. Great interaction, commentary as usual. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate the kind words. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Thank you. All right, no new news on that front. Let's see where we are in market cap. Let's see. Guys, we're almost there. We're almost at 400 concurrent viewers, and we're almost at 200 likes. I think if we get to 200 likes, it'll push us to 400 people, I think. Oh, look at Sheba, guys, bouncing right back up to the 30th spot here. Up 11, almost 11.5% here. So let's check this back out here. Let's go Shiba swap. Hopefully, Bill. Hopefully, brother. Hopefully, brother. All right, let's go back into the 1 day here. Yeah, look at this, guys. Some nice movement. Look at all this consolidating in this 1 day. Look how even this chart is, and then whales popping in here. Quick sell-off, big burst, sell-off, and here we go. Running back up again. So this is looking good, guys. Looking very, very good. Look at the volume here as well. This is what you love to see. Look at the trading volume up 36.5% in the 24-hour period. Market cap is up 11%. You gotta love that. Look at that. Yesterday's low and high. We are surging past that right now. So, but this is what I was talking about in the video I just put out. This thing was just consolidating for such a nice period here in the last week or so. You know, it's been consolidating for about overall almost 2 weeks, and we've seen after consolidation periods, last 3 times after drops, sell-offs, consolidation periods, then we've seen the spike. Could this be the beginning of that big percentage spike that we're all waiting to see? Up over 400 concurrent viewers. You guys are freaking awesome. And we haven't even got to 200 likes yet. So I appreciate that. Christian, welcome in, man. As my financial advisor, what do you recommend I invest in next? Christian, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and informational purposes only, my friend. But in terms of things that I like, I don't want to recommend anything, but things I like, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, another one I like, Chainlink, Polygon, one of my personal favorites. I will say Polygon is my second largest holding next to Ethereum. And again, if you want the answer why, go back, check out this video right here. Massive price prediction for Polygon. Then of course you can go back and hear some of the past live streams too, where we get into all these different assets. But here's another Polygon video that has some good insight, how it's outperforming Doge, kind of what it is. But big fan of Polygon. And anybody who's been on the stream for the last few weeks would know that I'm a huge fan of Polygon. So that's one of my favorites. VeChain, also one of my favorites. This another one, Theta. I think it's Theta. In the NFT space, it's one that I'm planning on buying really soon. I'm waiting to kind of just watch the price action a little bit, but this is one that I'm going to be pulling the trigger on pretty soon. Talked about it in one of my latest videos, top 10 cryptocurrencies to buy now. Theta in the NFT space, love it. Shiba Inu would be another one. In fact, if you want to go back and listen to my portfolio, take out Theta, and that's what I own. So that's where I'm in the crypto space. I like to diversify, but not diversify too much, right? I like to hone in on a decent number, whether it's like 5 to 7 assets at a time. Maybe that'll branch out to 10 as I'm really looking to add some assets in the NFT space right now. So eventually I might break that out into 10. Engine Coin is another one that I'm waiting to drop off until I want to buy in. You can see it's up 30% in the 7-day. Down a little bit today, but I'm waiting for this thing to come back down a little bit, and I think I can get into Engine Coin and feel pretty good for that future. Decentraland is another one that I'm watching closely. I know some people from the stream, from the channel here, jumped into this one during the crash back on the 19th and the 23rd of May. I just really love the idea here behind, virtual plots of land and virtual real estate. We're just scratching the surface when it comes to both NFTs and virtual reality. So, man, we have two emerging technologies colliding with one another when we talk about Decentraland, which, yeah, I think that's interesting. Definitely interesting. So there you go, long-winded answer, but hopefully that helps out a little bit in terms of those recommendations. Again, not a financial advisor, just here for entertainment, informational purposes only. I'm learning from you guys as well. So here we go. Let's go worldwide. What's going on with Shiba Inu as we take a look around the world at some of the places? Iran is interested. Turkey is interested in Shiba. A lot of places in Europe, just about everywhere. Indonesia is growing in their interest, of course. Big reason for that is SHIB token is going to be available on an exchange based out of Indonesia. So we go over their Twitter page, their latest tweet, boom, right there. Indodax, which that's some big news. Of course, it's also available now on Currency Exchange. That one came out a few days ago. So we're continuing to see exchanges add this asset. Man, how nice would it be if Robinhood added it though, or Coinbase? Man, that would be just what the doctor ordered. All right, let's see here. So we do have a new article 43 minutes ago. Let's just see what they mentioned here in terms of how they mentioned SHIB. We could do a quick Control F and do Sheba. Only one mention here. So this is the only thing they mentioned in the article about Sheba. Doge's market cap climbed above a whopping 90 billion. Okay, Shiba Inu themed. Okay, so it wasn't even about SHIB itself. It was actually about Doge. Okay, that's cool. So no new news there. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that, monitor that. Welcome in everybody new. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Up over 215 likes, up over 450 people watching. All right, so let's get up to 500. Let's get up to 500 concurrent viewers, 250 likes. That's our next milestone. Also, guys, another way to support the channel, of course, the best way, the biggest way is just to like and subscribe. But if you want to do a little bit something extra, you can send a super chat, super sticker. Those are available. So, really appreciate everybody. Super grateful for everybody here, though. Just joining the live stream, adding some great insight and content. Australia, a lot of interest here too with Shiba Inu. Interesting. Look at that. Look how dark blue that is in Australia. So a lot of people in Australia got some interesting interest here. And this is the type of things they're searching, right? So here's what's going on. People want to know about Shiba Swap, right? Their website, buy Shiba Inu, right? Where they can buy a Dogecoin price. So you can learn a lot from looking at what people are searching, right? And this is of course Google, which owns YouTube. So you're encapsulating what people are searching for in Google and in YouTube when you come over here and look, just to kind of see what people are interested in, how interested they're in things as well. All right, so let's go back over to the live coin watch here. We'll fresh this up, see what's going on. I'll jump back over in chat too. I know I've been kind of dropping the ball on that. Okay, so leveling off a little bit here after spiking, so we'll see what that looks like over on CoinMarketCap too. But let's get back into chat. I'll try to catch up a little bit here. Dan Cares, what's up? He thinks Shiba Swap is coming in a few days. Dan is an official OG of the stream. Milan, what's up? How's ICP going? Pretty good, actually. ICP, what, top 10 still? Number 11, actually, market cap. Keon only got 14 mil. Hey, man, it all counts. 50 mil today, Mark, nice. Okay, I think I'm caught up right there. Let's see. Ali, what's up, man? To the moon. Ricky, what's going on? Make sure you guys like and subscribe here on your way in as well. Mario, you people get a little over the top hourly. Okay, Mario. Okay. Daryl pays you BNB every day. Tim, what's up? Sorry, I just got here. Sorry if you explained many times. Why did Shiba pump? It could be a few reasons. Right now, what we have is, Indodax being added in Indonesia could be one reason. Shiba swap could be imminent here. And then we also had some information come out of Mark Jansen here from our community who screenshotted this from Shitoshi. And he was talking about how they did something in record time in terms of, basically revamping things, getting some new people in and finishing something in record time, making this a secure, the entire new dev team. So that's what it was. A whole new dev team, developer team was fully doxed, and we built the swap from a security first mindset. So and they did it in record time. So he's saying the swap is built. If this is accurate, if this is legit, right? We got to take this with a grain of salt, but if this is legit, it's built. And that would mean it's just going to be rolled out here soon. Desmond Wilson, what's up? Ricky, Shiba has a good community behind already. It does. It does. We've got a nice community right here built up. Talking about Shiba and other crypto assets. Cody, what's up? Diamond hands on Shiba Inu. Me too, bro. Welcome to the stream. Almost to 500 concurrent viewers, guys. Smash the like button. Let's get up to 500. There it is. Nice. ZM, Shiba to 1 cent. I think so eventually, yeah. Ram 21307, Hodl, yeah. Ashit, hello, what's up, man? Georgie 3, Shiba to the moon, nice. Crypto Tarvis, what's up? Tushar, hey, man, how you doing? Hello from India, what's going on? Muru, how you doing? Let's see what else we got. Akash Shah, how you doing? Can someone help on how to get Shiba into Shiba Swap to buy Bone? Akash, right now you cannot buy Bone. So if you come on over here, you'll see on their site how to buy Sheeb, buy Leash, Bone, not yet available to buy, but it will be able to acquire soon. So there you go. John Valenzuela, Valenzuela, sorry, easy for me to say. John Valenzuela, welcome, man, to the moon. Nikhil, how you doing? I don't think it will reach. Will reach what? $1? Maybe not. 1 cent? I think so. Ronald, what's up? John, what's up, guys? From Alabama. Nice, John. Welcome in. Jeffrey Sheeb listing on Robinhood. That's a rumor, but I don't think that would be the reason for this pumping right now. Let's go back over to the live here. Let's refresh that. Reason behind the spike. You can go back and listen to it. We've hit on it a few times during the live stream, so if you're missing it, I'll try to recap every 10, 15 minutes or so, but I don't want to lose people by just repeating myself over and over, but I will recap real quickly. A few reasons, possibly new exchanges. Shiba Swap could potentially be done now, and they're waiting to roll that out, so could be very imminent. Those are the two big ones that we're hearing right now. Could it reach 10 cents? I saw a video recently on YouTube that it could reach 10 cents, but I wasn't super convinced in terms of how it would do that. I think 1 cent is a really big goal, and I'm talking 1 cent in the next 2 to 3 years. It's going to take time, in my opinion. What's up from Weston, Florida? Nice. Welcome. Georgie can definitely hit $1 if it goes to Robinhood. Yeah, man, I think that would be huge. It would definitely be huge. Robert Garcia, would you explain why certain platforms started taking Shiba quicker than other cryptos? It's based off of legitimacy. I guess so. Some of the smaller exchanges maybe take more of a chance on Shiba Inu. I know, where I get it is Crypto.com, which is pretty well known. They've had it on there, I think, right from the get-go. So that's where I've got mine, Crypto.com. But, I think more and more exchanges, as we're seeing, they're adding the token, which is good. Istvan, hello there. How you doing? Could it be a scam coin? You have to be hesitant with all of these assets, meme coins, community coins, whatever you want to call them. But I do think it's deeper than that with this one because you've got a story behind it. It's been in the news now for a long time. I think when you look at the market for meme coins, community-based coins, You know, right now it's Doge, and then I would put Sheba right there, and then probably SafeMoon. Like those top three right now are, you know, in my opinion, kind of on a different level with the community that's built around them right now. Kishu I know is kind of gaining some popularity, but still a little over 1 billion. Where you know Sheeb's fluctuating between 3.5 billion, and has been for longer. Just has that longevity right now. Dogecoin, of course, has a ton of longevity when it comes to the meme coins, community-based coins. What else do we got? Servos holding 100K. Nice, bro. Looking awesome. Like the name, bro. Welcome. Crazy how fast it would go up if it got to 1 cent. Yeah, exactly. It would have to go up parabolically, like crazy, right? Yeah. It's a lot. But, you know, we're seeing how much it could spike, you know. But if it keeps, you know, spiking like this, consolidating for a while, spiking, consolidating, spiking, you know, sure, it can get there. But it's going to take time because there's going to be some pullbacks too, right? Everybody's not a hodler. Even I think, you know, even though I think there are a lot of hodlers here on stream, everybody's not a hodler. Rick 11 holding 150 mil, nice. Dan, what's up, man? Right, bro. 1 cent in the next 2 years. Yeah, I think so too, Dan. 1 cent next 2 years. Ronald Livingston, welcome to the stream. Do you think they will burn more to bring up the value? So Mark Jansen, one of our moderators, broke it down perfectly early on in the stream. You can go back and listen to that as well. Broke it down perfectly. He says that it's not possible for them to burn more tokens. 50% went to Vitalik. We saw what he did. 50% went over to Uniswap. So they don't really have the capability to burn more tokens. Mark, appreciate you. Again, man, you broke that down perfectly. Put it in chat for everybody too, for everybody to go back and check that out. So appreciate you, bro. Danil, what's up from Russia? How you doing, Danil? Petrov, Sheba to the moon. Yes, sir. Istvan, hello there. Could it be a scam coin? Well, yeah, we answered that. I don't think so. Not this one. New online, Yorks Servani, what's up? I mentioned SafeMoon. He must be a fan. Gary, I don't think the devs will release Sheba Swap until the whole market. Okay. Just for your SafeMoon fans, just so I can show you something that I do real quick oftentimes, and some of you may have seen this already, it's okay, but look at this. So here's your Google Trends. This is the past 4 hours. Now, what are people more interested right now? Shiba, Shiba Inu, or SafeMoon? SafeMoon's in the yellow. Okay, let's go past 30 days even. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, you could see past month, Shiba, Shiba Inu, then SafeMoon. Okay, this is another reason why I like Shiba over SafeMoon. A lot of people ask me, why Shiba over SafeMoon? People are more interested in Shiba right now. There's more growing interest, global interest too. We're not just talking the US here, this is worldwide. Global interest. Global interest, right? That's big. Okay, so we come back over here on the home page. I wanted to go to SHIB Tokens homepage. Let me bounce over there real quick. Welcome everybody new to the stream. Make sure you smash the like button on your way in. Here you go. Global, right? This is an Indonesian exchange here. Okay, a lot of these different parts of the world. Look at all of the interest now in the Asia continent. Of course, India being a huge one with, you know, COVID relief fund, Sandeep Nawal connected, Vitalik Buterin. There's just so much more going on with Sheba opposed to SafeMoon, in my opinion. Okay, and this is just a part of the story. This just kind of helps tell the story here. Okay, so we'll leave that up. Maybe retrace back to that. So, all right, we'll refresh this. So we're kind of leveling off here still, but still big gains here this afternoon for Shiba Inu. Welcome into the stream, everybody that's new. Up over 600 concurrent viewers. I appreciate that. Thank you. Another big spike here, guys, on the refresh. Look at this. Nice. Could we be setting new all-time daily highs here? We are on path to do that. Look at this. Big spike upwards here. Big spike upwards. This is great. Anybody new here, guys, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to, you can give a super chat. It's another way to help us out. Let's see what else we got going on in chat. Gilberto, oops, Chat's moving a little bit quick now. Try to keep up. Jose, think about it. If this was a scam, Binance and crypto will not list. Yeah, that's a good point, Jose. You wouldn't be seeing all these exchanges listing it. That's a really good point. Danny Delgado, I think individuals can still burn tokens, right? It wasn't a 10% burn of any purchase thing that was happening. Danny, I don't have the exact answer on that. Maybe somebody else will. Mark, if you could jump in, answer Danny Delgado. If you had time to even research that a little bit, that'd be great, because I'd like to know that answer too. Or somebody else could jump in too. It doesn't have to be Mark, but Mark's really good at that stuff. If all the holders burn 10% of their coins, that would be good also. Christian, we're going to check on that. Welcome, Giannis. Smash the like. Nice. Andy Kit, what's up? Coinbase, what's up? Traded a lot of Ether for that. Nice. Right, catching up here. Eric, greetings from Panama. Hello, my friend. Welcome. Pedro, $20 billion volume. How can people think this is a scam? Yeah, a lot of volume. I mean, look at this right now. Crazy volume. Look at that. 613 billion right now. Or no, 613 million rather, just right now. Let's see. Ruby, what's up? Dan, what's up? Stay cool, guys. Takes time to grow. Yes, it does, Dan. Give it time. It's patience, man. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. What else do we got? Okay. Felix, website not down anymore. Yeah, it was never down for me. I was able to always get on the site. So, Van H, we all want a penny. Yeah, that'd be nice. Be perfect. That would be perfect. Where can we get the Shiba swap? Well, we're going to be able to get it right here when it's available. Right here, when it becomes available. Looking awesome. Yeah, man. Coinbase, 3 billion in HODL. Chris Grover, welcome to the stream, bro. 156 million coins here. Nice. Cost me 30K in Ether. Nice, Coinbase. Remtac, holding, man. 5. How much? That, wow. Remtac got a lot of sheep. Nice. Carlos Rodriguez, welcome to the stream, bro. What is Sheba? What are the numbers building exactly? Well, right now we're waiting on Shiba swap. In terms of the price action right now, big increase here this afternoon, starting around 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the U.S. We saw some big spikes here the last couple hours. So, retracing here, Wells probably selling off here, but then look at this, bouncing back up, trying to set new daily highs here already. We all want a penny. Yes, sir. Yes, we do. Chris, thanks for having me. Yeah, man, always. Look at that. Nice upward movement here, guys. Nice upward movement. Love to see it. Love to see it. 34 mil. Nice. Oh, yeah. Average Joe, what's the best way to get maximum gains from crypto.com? Buy and hold, Average Joe. Buy and hold. Buy and hold good assets. So over on that site, what I have over there, I can just tell you, is Shiba Inu, and my VeChain is over on crypto.com. That's what I trade with over on crypto.com. A lot of my other assets over on Coinbase include Bitcoin, Ethereum, which I want to get some insight from all of you. I was thinking about maybe shifting all of my Bitcoin over to Ethereum. I've been slowly kind of shifting more and more Bitcoin to Ethereum, but I might have come to the point of the, I guess the great crossroad of, should I just sell all of my Bitcoin and just put it into Ethereum? I'm usually not that risky, so I'm a little nervous, but that's how I feel about Ethereum. That's how good I feel about Ethereum. So, I've got those two over there on Coinbase. I've got my Cardano and Polygon also on Coinbase. So, I use a couple different places. I've also got a few places where I get some Dogecoin. Webull, Robinhood, I've got some Dogecoin, both of those places. So I kind of like to spread it out because sometimes things are down, we see it all the time with different sites. So Josh Meeks, 13.5 million, nice. David, nice. Yeah, just need 1 cent. Yeah, that'd be nice. 1 cent would be perfect, right? Tom, keep your Bitcoin. I'm 90% Bitcoin. Yeah, I know. It's tough, Tom. It's tough. Yeah, I probably will. Right now I'm dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin a little bit each and every month, but I'll probably just continue to do that. And anytime I add bigger amounts, it'll probably be into Ethereum when the price is right. And then some other assets that I like. I'm really interested right now in Ethereum and Polygon in terms of what to add on to. And in terms of opening up new positions, I'm looking really close at the NFT space. Really close at the NFT space right now. Do you use crypto.com? Yeah, Christian, just mentioned that. Facile for 25 million holding like a boss. Nice, bro. Coinbase. I've been real homies. Yeah. No. Detox, where can I buy Ethereum? Detox Pena, I get mine on Coinbase. And you can also stake your Ethereum over there, which I'm doing. If you believe in Ethereum 2.0 and what they're working on for the future of 2022 and 2023, going to proof of stake models, enhancing transaction speeds, Ethereum 2.0 is coming. And I want to be a part of that, so I'm staking my ETH, earning rewards, which is actual money. Just by staking my ETH, I'm earning 6% over on Coinbase, which I know there's a lot of other exchanges doing some similar things. So if you want to get some more insight on that, more information, I've actually got a video on that. I just created one on Saturday that goes into a lot more detail on why I, staked my ETH right here. Ethereum 2.0 crash course. You can go check out that video and find out, why you should, or, at least know the risks and rewards of staking when it comes to ETH. I am looking to stake my Cardano eventually as well. That is another one that I want to stake here in the near future. I know a lot of people have already staked their Cardano. There's a large percentage of people interested in Cardano who have already staked. I am looking into that as well. So, any thoughts on ETC? Jennifer, welcome to the stream. Yeah, Jennifer, ETC, Ethereum Classic, right? Not a huge fan of ETC. Not really even sure why it's pumping. I know they mentioned something about getting into the NFT space. I think I read something around that. But, the way Ethereum, actual ETH, is scaling and what the future looks like, I can't see Ethereum Classic being in that future plan. It doesn't make sense for where Ethereum 2.0 is going. Just my opinion. So, I think there are some people still bullish on Ethereum Classic, but I just can't come up with the use cases like I can for Ethereum 2.0. Welcome in everybody that's new. Up over 645 people in here. Almost 300 likes too. Let's get that number up to 300. That'd be great. Push it out to a few more people. Maybe we can get to 700 concurrent viewers. That would be awesome. Anya, welcome back. I have to take a dump. Nice, Anya. Good thing I read that in my head before I read it out loud. Jennifer, thank you. Yeah, no problem. Bread, garlic house, sheep, global distribution. Okay. Nice. I like the breakdown. Ricky Knight. What's the difference when you stake? There's a lot that goes into it, Ricky. So make sure you go back, check that video. But basically, to give you the quick, dirty version, when you stake your Ethereum, you're basically saying, okay, now that I'm staking, I can't buy and sell this. I'm locked into whatever I stake. And basically, you're saying, I believe in Ethereum 2.0, and part of the risk, probably the biggest risk in staking, is like Ethereum collapsing to nothing, right? But I don't think that's going to happen. With it being the second biggest asset in market cap, all of the hype around the ecosystem and the NFT space and DeFi projects. I mentioned this in a lot of videos, but I like this analogy because it really helps me kind of make sense of why I'm so bullish on Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum, it's essentially the highway for the future of DeFi. And then you've got all these different cars. One of my favorite cars on this highway would be Polygon, running on the Ethereum highway or the Ethereum platform, right? So I look at Ether or Ethereum as the future of DeFi. I look at Bitcoin as the future of gold, but just in a digital form. So I think they're both going to coexist. When we talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, I just think Ethereum has so much room to prosper and grow because of its ecosystem and network that they already have. There's a lot of cars already running down the highway that are, you know, interested in the future plans of Ethereum, which is not coming until at the earliest 2022, right? So, again, go back and check out that video, though. I get into a little bit more details that I think will help you too. If you're getting some value out of this, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. That's all I really ask for. Just like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, especially. What else do we got? Real Monsters. Nice name. I'm a 6x or 20x bet. Okay. ETH's going to hit 50K before BTC hits 300K. You must have seen my poll that I put out. I think the one I put out was what would happen first, a 10K ETH, or it was a 10K ETH, 100K Bitcoin, something like that. So Goldman Sachs actually recently, I don't know if you guys saw this, Goldman Sachs leaked some information that a lot of their analysts have put a price target for Ethereum, 2025 price target of 20,000 per ETH. And these are people at Goldman Sachs, right? Institutional investors, not people like us, right? But you're seeing a lot of institutions get more and more interested with crypto as a whole, and especially Ethereum. So keep that in mind, because a lot of times you can follow the big money, you could follow the whales, if you will, right? And you know, you don't have to have breaking news and something that a lot of people aren't talking about all the time. A lot of time you could just see where the money's going, right? And invest in those things. Jacob, what about Emacs and Nitro Maniac? Both of you guys interested in Emacs. Don't have a lot of insight on Emacs. Can't really help you out there, but maybe somebody else in chat can. The Rapid Equalizer, welcome to the stream. Prefer Ethereum Classic, $70 now. I'm going to hit 1,000 in a few years. We'll top out around 5 to 10,000. It's Rapid, you might be right, but what are the catalysts for Ethereum Classic? Like, if I'm like taking out a sheet of paper and I'm listing the catalyst for Ethereum Classic, and then on the other side of the paper I'm listing the catalyst for Ethereum, that list on the right hand side under Ethereum, for me, would be a lot longer. That's why I'm interested in Ethereum and not Ethereum Classic. I can come up with a lot more reasons why Ethereum is going to grow in the next 10 years than the reasons why Ethereum Classic would. Okay? Just my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Just here for entertainment, informational purposes only. But yeah, the future for Ethereum and Ethereum 2.0, there's been a lot said about it. Go try to find interesting insight in terms of the future of Ethereum Classic. A lot harder to find. Sheba, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Wow, Sheba going up. Yeah, it's a nice pump. You know, it's been consolidating here for a while. This is a nice surge, and again, we're starting to see it level off here again. We'll see what we get in this next 5 minutes or so, what this looks like. But it is up right now. It's looking nice. Okay, a little downturn here on the price. We'll see if it retraces past this little shelf. Alan, what's up? Everyone buy now so I can sell things. Oh, jeez. Justin, what's up? Emacs pump and dump. I'm in a Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a good app, huh? A lot of people talking about that. Where some pretty large crypto people are in. Gotcha. Shreyash, don't know anything about that one, brother. Thanks for being on stream, though. Justin, got your question. Alan, Rudy, what's up? If ETH price goes up, will Sheba go up automatically as well? It doesn't quite work like that. Of course, it is running on the Ethereum platform. It does help, though, if Ethereum's doing well. Okay? It doesn't hurt it, but it doesn't necessarily instantly help Sheba when Ethereum goes up. Okay? Javier, what's up? What about a $100 prediction? $100 prediction on Sheba? No, man. I don't know if it's going that high. I think 1 cent would be awesome. I mean, let's call it like it is. I mean, 1 cent would be huge gains. So let's get there first. Pyatar, what's up? No, stop asking. 0.01 is not possible. Okay, all right, Malak. Ba, ba, ba. Invested, not just on Inu. Okay, yeah, exactly. Pound for pound, that's a great point. You need to diversify, right? It can't just be in Shiba Inu. You need to be into different investments, diversify your portfolio. We talk about that all the time too. You guys, Shiba's not one of my largest holdings. I like it, right? It's top 30 market cap. It's definitely the one of two meme coins that I'm invested in and that I like. Up almost 13% now too. Now it dropped immediately to 10, but still. Yeah, this is one I like. It's top 30 market cap, right? But I mean, for me, I just don't go all in on one thing. Not the best move. Because what happens when that one thing goes down? Your whole portfolio goes down, right? So you want to diversify a little bit. Things we've talked about too: Polygon, Chainlink, Dogecoin. If you're new to the stream here, these are ones that I like. Chainlink, Polygon, Doge, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Got a growing interest here in Theta. I'll probably get in that at some point soon. And some of the other ones down here further on the list, we have talked about CHZ a little bit. Do like that. Probably won't get in it anytime soon, but Mana is one that I really, really like right now. Top 70 market cap that just think has a great idea. And I could just see it being a thing of the future. Virtual real estate is what they do in the NFT space. So, a couple that I like. 330 likes, awesome. You guys are great. Let's try to get up to 350, 672 of you in here. So I know some of you haven't liked the video yet. If you could just pause it real quick, or however you need to, turn the phone back up vertically and hit that like button. That would help out the stream. Appreciate you. Bashal, is it suitable to buy Sheba now? Suitable is an interesting word. It is going up right now. Usually I like to buy low, sell high, but if you're going to hold this, for the long term, then it might be a decent opportunity to buy now. But if you're trying to make a quick buck, if you're day trading this, not a great opportunity to buy now, in my opinion. Essers, Cosmos. Was interested in Cosmos, actually was invested in it for a little bit, ended up turning it into more Polygon. Made a little bit of profit earlier this year on Cosmos and got out of it. So it was just one of those things where I liked Polygon more and had a chance to take some profit out of Cosmos, put it into an asset that I want to hold longer. Alengbom, is Sheba possible to make 0.05? Let's get to 0.01 first. Bond, James Bond, love that, love that. Shiba Inu could definitely hit 1 penny and even surpass that price. That is like one of the greatest parts of that movie, by the way. I know exactly where that's coming from. Bond, James Bond. What some of you morons fail to understand is that the time we are living in, it's not 5 years ago. New travels very quickly. Well, that's true. That's true, Bond, James Bond. The power of the internet is a powerful tool to spread information, for sure. Dominic, what's up? Welcome. VeChain. Oh, yeah. Love VeChain, brother. Here you go, right? If you go back to my channel here, just 3 days ago, put out a video on VeChain. 12-minute clip, talks about price predictions, what VeChain is. It's in an interesting niche too, right? Supply chain technology. So yeah, go check out that video. VeChain is one that I like though. Let's see. David, see a future for Sheba, or is it only used for gambling? Yeah, I see a future. Yeah, David. Simon, what is happening with Sheba? Well, there's a lot of interest right now. Here's the Google trend. So people are interested in it. In terms of what's happening, we're trying to piece it together. There's a few reasons why it could be popping. One is, there's Jake Sheba making a run for it. Nice. So one of the reasons is Indodax. We're pleased to announce a new crypto asset that will be added to the Indodax marketplace. Okay, so this is the most recent tweet. So we could be getting some, people in Indonesia where this is housed. Maybe they are jumping on board. It's the fourth most populated country in the world, right behind the United States. So that helps. I mean, that definitely helps. And then we've got, obviously, Shiba Swap could potentially be here soon. Mark Jansen gave us some good insight here. Appreciate you, Mark. And you know, this was saying that the entire new dev team who is creating Shiba Swap is in there, and they did it in record time. So this would indicate that Shiba Swap is done and finalized. We're just waiting for it to be rolled out. So that was today at 1:20. So we saw it start to spike around 12 o'clock. And then this came out like an hour later. So, you know, how much you can look into this, that's on you. I think, you know, I look into this a little bit. I don't take it as like the holy grail, though. I take that with a grain of salt. You know, I'll believe it when I see it, right? And we're still waiting to see Shiba Swap. So, yeah, those are the couple things that we can point to right now, and the fact that there is, you know, a big pop in the Google Trends this the past 30 days. But if we go worldwide past, even if we go past day, we should see a nice pop here. We have it up against SafeMoon too. Yeah, here's the pop. Look at this. So right in here, right at that 1230 mark. Look at this. Boom. A lot of interest. So where's that coming in from? You know, we are worldwide here. We could take a look. Australia, getting some nice interest. Indonesia, though, getting some nice interest. Okay, so we're trying to piece all this together. Look, this is how we kind of put the pieces to the puzzle here. We know that a new exchange in Indonesia is going to be able to buy Shiba Inu. We go over here on the Google Trends, we could see people in Indonesia are intensifying their search for Shiba Inu, right? So that's how we can kind of get some interest. But look at the search interest here in Australia, also in the U.S. is popping. Nigeria as well. Here's India, right? So you can really get, here's IndoDAX, right? Related queries. A lot of people interested in IndoDAX right now. That's good. So that's that news. Shiba Inu IndoDAX. Look at the top two right there. Shiba Inu IndoDAX and IndoDAX. Okay? That's the new exchange out of Indonesia. All right, let's refresh this. What about Sandbox? Guys, which crypto is your best bet to moon? Anya, can't really give one, man. It's tough to do that. But you know, Shiba Inu is a pretty good candidate. Joey Burns bought in when it was, will I get back to even money anytime soon? Oh, yeah, I think, well, Joey, I mean, let me ask you this, Joey. How long you plan on holding it? I mean, what are you trying to do? What are your goals here? What are your goals with it? Do you have an exit strategy? Do you have a number in mind where, you know, this is where I'm going to get out? If you don't, you might want to sit down and create that because that'll help. Robo, do you have an intel on Harmony 1? No, nothing there. Don't know much about it. Funny Bunny channel, nice. Most important thing to grow the coin like some coin burns. Yeah, burning would help, but it's not possible anymore. Uniswap and Vitalik both got 50% each, so the devs don't have access to it. John, what's up? When is Shiba Swap coming? Any thoughts? Man, it's been imminent for a while here. Apparently, some of the devs were let go. New devs were added, and this is coming from that, you know, that bit that we just read off of the Discord there. So new devs were in. Maybe that kind of was a hiccup in the process. They had to get the new people up to speed. But rumor is now that they're up to speed and they finished it in record time. So if that's true, if that's the case, I would believe we get Shiba Swap hopefully in the coming weeks here. I mean, I'd like to say a week, but you know, it's been pushed back so many times in the last couple weeks, but we'll have to see. What else do we got? David, thanks. Yeah, no problem. Peachy D, welcome to the stream. Sal, welcome to the stream. Luis, Manuel, Diaz, welcome to the stream. Pierre, how you doing? Welcome back. Christian, glad you're still hanging with us. Appreciate you. Thoughts on XRP? Not invested in it. I know it's a high market cap. I know it's got a lot of people behind it. I get all that. I just want to see what's going to happen with Ripple. You know, they're currently in some, you know, issues right now. You can't really purchase it on Coinbase, so I'm just sitting on the sidelines watching what happens with that. But you know, I'm not going to say I'll never invest in XRP. I wouldn't say I would never invest in it. Because of this channel, I'm thinking of investing in Tesla on Robinhood. Pound for pound, yeah, I did talk about Tesla in one of my last live videos, and we will talk more about stocks. Of course, right now, the crypto market just so hot that we can't avoid that. But yeah, we will talk about stocks as well. I do love Tesla. I know a lot of people, you know, kind of see Tesla as only an electric vehicle company. I see them as much more than that. I see them as a artificial intelligence company. I see them as a big data company. I see them as a green energy company. I see them as a battery company. I mean, so they're going to crush it, I think, in the next 10 years. And that's why I'm heavily invested in them. And I just think they have such a head start when it comes to the EV space and the technology and the data that they continue to advance upon is only going to grow. And people are going to adopt their same strategies. We're scratching the surface when it comes to the world going electric, and they're the leader in the space. So sometimes I just try to simplify it in that way, right? Instead of hitting, you know, digging for like the new big hitter, you know, Tesla's established, right? So if you think long term, you don't really look at the price today, right? Are there going to be more EVs on the road 10 years from now? If your answer to that question is yes, the first company I would look at would be Tesla. So sometimes it's just that simple. I think sometimes we try to overanalyze things, and maybe we don't make the best decisions when we do that. So, John Weeman, what's up? When is Shiba Swap coming? Okay, got that. Robo Rhino, no, nothing there. I don't know anything about that. Sacred, what about Sandbox? Don't know anything about it. Proof of stake coins and ecosystem tokens long term. Yes, Jay. That I do know about, and that I agree with. Dogecoin took years. James Bond, welcome back. Dogecoin took years to realize a penny because very few people knew of its existence. Very true. And the cryptocurrency was on very few minds before Facebook. Yeah, that's a great point. You know, you go back to 2017, and the people who knew what Bitcoin was versus how many people know what Bitcoin is in 2021, it's night and day. Night and day. So that's a really good point. Twitter, Instagram, others very quick news. Yeah, exactly. Elena, welcome back to the stream. Coco Sheba, nice. I like it. Nice emoji action there too. Help desk, what's up? Is 1 cent possible? Yeah, I think so eventually, but it's going to be a while. Billy, you eat crayons if you don't buy Shiba. Nice. Fayez Salam, what's up? Shiba Inu hit $1 this year. What's your opinion? No, not this year, no. JW Box, when is Shiba going to take off for real? It seems that only the whales are profiting from it. Well, I think, you know, it's kind of a double-edged sword, right? Because you need the whales in some aspect, but then you also need the retail investing side to ramp up and kind of be able to stabilize the big spikes. So I think you're starting to see that, though. The last couple of weeks, you're starting to see there are some, you know, long-time holders here because the price has been pretty stable for about 12 days, almost 2 weeks, until the big pop today. We are heading back up here too, guys. So we'll have to watch that. Omit rug pull. All right, well, we'll see. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. Solar as well. Yeah. Bilali, great point. Yeah, Tesla is a solar energy company too. I mean, you know, yeah, exactly. People think of it only in the EV space, and they're like, well, there's not that many EVs out there. Well, number one, there will be more. Number two, it's not only EVs. It's way bigger than that, right? AMC, still not too late to buy shares. I personally, C-Ring, I'm not in it. I did buy AMC when it was like $6-7, and I made a little bit. I think I doubled it and sold it. So, you know, I ended up putting it in Tesla. So that's my thoughts. But I'm thinking more long term with those type of investments. International Crypto Exchange, Krishna KN. What is the best internet? I would probably say the most popular. I don't know if it's the best, but the most popular one that I've heard of is Binance. Somebody else might be able to help you out on that, but my answer would be Binance. Guys, 400 likes. Appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you, guys. Let's get up to 425 likes or 420 likes next. That'd be great. Tom, what do you think about BTT, BitTorrent? Yeah, it's being talked about a lot recently. Don't have any strong convictions about it, though. Really just been focusing in on ones that I like, and especially during this downturn, I want to add on to those ones as much as I can. In terms of newer assets, I've been looking a lot in the NFT space, though. Michael Cardenas, what's up, man? What's happening, Sheba Army? How you doing, bro? Welcome back. Vubi, welcome back to the stream. We will be able to burn when it moves to ShibaSwap because ShibaSwap is going to monopolize the token and take it away from all exchanges. Great insight, Vubi. I think you are right in saying that too. I appreciate that. Appreciate that great insight, Vubi. I think you're right in saying that. We'll have to see. You know, that's why I want to see ShibaSwap because we're going to learn a lot more, right? Once that pops out. Montelli, thank you. Thank you for the super sticker. I think that's a super sticker, right? Appreciate that, man. Montelli, thank you. Guys, best way to contribute to the channel, just like and subscribe. But if you want to do a little something extra, you can send a super chat like Mantelli did. That is another way to help us out here on stream, so appreciate that. Michael Lopes, feel it soon. I hope so too, bro. Welcome back to the stream too. I remember seeing you. My first name is my last name. Nice. What do you think about Elef? Don't know anything about that, bro. Question, please. Do people burn Shiba Feg, answering your question here, to increase the price, or well, it makes what other, okay, so when it is burned, if it's burned, it helps out the people who hold the coin because then their coins become more valuable because there's less of a supply. So it goes back to supply and demand. When there's less of something, it's a higher priced asset, right? So that's why, like Bitcoin, because there's only 21 million, Bitcoin. So eventually, I think by 2040, all of the Bitcoin will be mined. That's why people think that's when the price will really rise because supply and demand will kick in, and people won't be able to buy it, right? And people who want it are going to have to pay a premium, right, to people who've held it for all these years. So that's kind of what it comes down to. That's something to look at too when you're looking at assets. Is there a finite supply? So Ethereum, there is not. There's not a finite supply. But it's a little bit different because it's, you know, in my mind, it's not going to be a stored value like Bitcoin will be, right? So there's some merit to both strategies. Armand, thanks for the super chat, man. You're awesome. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, man. NFT art finance, do you think it will be a success? I think the NFT space as a whole is going to be a success, no doubt. No doubt about it. Cloud Life, if you think a coin is a rug pull, no one cares. Yeah. Cloud Life, you got to block out the negativity, man. We don't get a lot of it on here on stream, but sometimes we do, you know. Just don't even read it. Chris Kemp, AMC Synthetic Shares, Naked Shorting, YouTube Trades, we own the float. All right, Chris, welcome to the stream, man. Armand's going to put you in timeout, bro, if you don't shape up. Vubi, do you realistically think Sheba will hit a cent? I do. It'll take a while, though, probably 5 years. Alenzi, I follow you, and your words are very logical and analyzed with frankness, and I appreciate that, Bendar. Appreciate the kind words, man. That will be Bitcoin's downfall. There's a limited supply, Steve? Some people calling Shiba a rug pull said that Dogecoin in 2016, so don't listen. Yeah, Cloud Life, pretty much. Zach, did you check Feg token? It's actually rising pretty nice. I have not, Shiba Feg, have not checked that out. I'm really focused here on Shiba and Dogecoin in the meme coin space. Tim, thoughts on Cardano? I'm new to this and read some about it. Tim, welcome. If you're new to the stream, make sure you new to the stream or channel make sure you like and subscribe. Definitely a fan of Cardano, and I've created some content here in the last couple weeks about Cardano. So this video here, why I love Cardano, 1 week ago, and then also if you come over here, is Cardano the future? ADA, and then Cardano to $22 by 2022. So I've got 3 videos out there specifically on Cardano, and then this stream from a couple weeks ago, right here, talks a lot about Cardano as well as Sheba and just all the assets that we like here on the channel, Polygon, Dogecoin. So you can check out these earlier live streams. I think you'll be able to learn from these. There's a lot of great people in our community who add good knowledge, who have a good knowledge base, who add good content in here too. But if you have a little bit of time, you can go back and just check out these quick 7, 8, 9, 10-minute videos on ADA and learn a little bit about that asset, and maybe that'll help you inform your decision making a little bit. Sandeep Mishra, love from India. Welcome, Sandeep. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thanks for being here. Chris H, hello. Welcome, bro. Welcome back. Chris, you're not hijacking the comments. You're okay. You're okay right now, but just be careful. You're walking on thin ice. AMC and the transfer of wealth is imminent. We've done our DD, our due diligence. It's a done deal. You're welcome all. Okay. I mean, you could be right. I'm not saying you're wrong. I just, it's a risk I'm not willing to take right now. That's all. Some people are. So that's okay. FISA, what's up? Please keep an eye on Sheba. Oh, we'll do. It's right here. Yeah, we got it. We'll refresh it. FISA. John, do you think there will be another token burn? Hard to say. Probably not at this point. Maybe when Shiba Swap comes out. There is some kind of differing opinions on that. Could we be able to burn tokens? Maybe we will when we have the whole ecosystem at our disposal, right? The Bone, the Leash, the Shiba Inu coin, and then maybe other coins that eventually are brought out too. John, gotcha. Okay. Cookie Chunk, do you think there will be a new BTC in the next few months? BTC, well, it could go back down to 20,000, I think, Cookie Chunk, or even like 25K. I could definitely see that. But if it does, I mean, where's it at now? It's 36,000. So if this thing, in my opinion, if this thing crashed to 28, 25K in the next 24 hours, it would be back up to 36,000 the following 24 hours. Because you would just see a ton of whales just buy low. A lot of the algorithms, too, are just set to buy at certain price points. So it's like, people set it and forget it. Where like they could have set it on 25K like 3 years ago, right? Or whatever, or maybe not 3 years ago because it wasn't that high, but you get my drift, like 3 months ago or whatever. They could have set it and just forgot it, and then when it hits that certain threshold, tons of money comes pouring in because everybody has their, buy button to, buy at certain thresholds, certain levels. So, but even if they don't, I think money would rush in if it got that low. Look what happened when it crashed the last time. Crashed to 30,000 or 31K, and it was immediately back up to 40K the next day. So I think the same thing would happen. Let's see. Trucker Rel, invest in cruise line stock. We're about to start sailing again here in Florida. Trucker Rel, appreciate that insight, man. Interesting. Which ones do you like, Rel? I looked at Carnival. I know if you got into the last couple of years, man, you made a killing. But I looked at it coming out of the pandemic a little bit. Didn't invest in it. Looked at that and some airline companies, but just like where I'm at with my long-term tech stocks, really. With Apple and Tesla and Neo and things like that. So, Anthony Cordova, welcome, bro. Do you think it'll drop back down to probably at some point? Yeah. John C. Joseph 98. Best crypto to invest as a beginner. Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I think they're the less risky of any other asset. I mean, I just think Bitcoin and Ethereum are both going to be here for the long term, and they're both going to do well. You know, you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin too. You can always just dollar cost average in. I think there's a lot of different exchanges that do this, but you know, for instance, you could set it on Coinbase, like every 15th of the month, you put $100 into Bitcoin and let's say $100 into Ethereum. No matter what the price is, 15th of every month, you buy 100 of each. So over time, that's called dollar cost averaging. So you don't have to literally like watch the market and time it. It's a lot less time consuming too, because it's a hands-off approach. You take your emotions out of it and you just set it and forget it. Every 15th of the month, you just buy 2, 3, 4 assets, whatever it is. And over time, it'll average out for you, right? Because it'll be high and low at various months. So it's a couple different ways you can go about it. Guys, if you're getting some value out of this, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Those are the biggest two ways to help us out here. And then, you know, another way, you can give a super chat if you so please, if you're feeling froggy, or a super sticker. We do accept those too here on stream. But first and foremost, just like and subscribe. Those are the big ones. Glody, what's the best coin to invest in right now? It's a tough one, Glody. I think there's a lot of good ones. You know, Ethereum would be my bet. If I had I don't know, if I had, let's say, $10,000 to invest right now, I'd probably put $8,000 in Ethereum, and if I'm going low risk, 8,000 into Ethereum, 2,000 into Bitcoin. I'd go like 80-20 Ethereum right now. And that's low risk. You know, set it and forget it, and, you know, come back in 10 years. Magic Life, Sheba, welcome. Sheba in 2022 price. You know, I think Sandeep, a quarter of a cent, maybe, like by the end of 2022. That would be nice. Even like a tenth of a cent. Should I invest in Shiba Inu? If yes, how much? That's on you. I can't tell you. I shouldn't tell you what to invest in. You've got to make that decision on your own. And it should always be an amount that you can, or you know, can afford to lose. I can't say that. Damon, Litecoin. What's Litecoin doing? Is it moving? Yeah, up 4%. Litecoin smashed sandwich right in between two assets that I like: Chainlink and Polygon. Two that I like. Litecoin is, you know, this is the silver to Bitcoin's gold. At least that's what it was way back in the day. They always said Litecoin was the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It's still up there, still a top 15, you know, by market cap. High risk. Litecoin low risk. Yeah, Litecoin is low risk too. That's a good point, Damon. So my first name is my first name. High risk. Well, higher risk. I don't think it would be like real high. I would say Doge. I think Doge will get to $1. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't say like when, but my guess would be somewhere in 2022 it gets to $1. So, I mean, you could see what kind of gains you would get if you bought in right now. I mean, I think there's a lot of long-term holders now of Doge, man. I really do, because you've got Elon always tweeting about it. Now you've got something to look forward to all the way in 2022 with the Doge 1 rocket. So, yeah. And you know he's working with the devs to make it even better. So that would be my answer to that question. Randy, Cardano, that would be another good answer too. Cardano, yeah. Definitely. That might even be a little less risk than Doge. But yeah. You know, I mean, Polygon is another one you can get quite a lot of. I mean, here's the thing. If you feel like you love Ethereum, but you just don't have enough to invest in Ethereum to get the gains you want, Polygon is a great go-to, because Polygon is working hand in hand with Ethereum, right? And I explain this even more in one of my recent videos, Top 10 Cryptocurrencies to Buy Now. Polygon Matic is a, you know, solution working side by side with Ethereum 2.0. So I think they'll grow together, right? As Ethereum grows, Polygon should grow as well. So that's just something to keep in mind if you feel like, oh, I can get so much more Polygon than I could Ethereum, right? Well, that would be a good good coin that's connected to Ethereum and their ecosystem. So hopefully that helps. Let's see. Anya, Zach, I've cashed out my daughter's college fund. Plan on putting every penny into Sheep. Figure it's a guaranteed. Anya, I would not recommend that. Definitely not recommend that. So, yeah, I wouldn't do that. Krishna, I am your new subscriber. Which platform you use to buy crypto? Krishna, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Appreciate that. I use a few. Coinbase is one. Crypto.com is another. Then I also have some assets over on Webull and Robinhood. So those four. Polygon, it's good to invest. Yes, Prim. Definitely. Definitely a good one. Definitely a good one. Sandeep, coin like Shiba to invest for the next 2 years. Like Shiba, I would just go with Shiba. If you're going to invest in something in the next 2 years and you want a meme coin, why wouldn't you go to the one that's number 30 in market cap right here? Or go to the one that's number 7. That would be my, that's my advice. If you're going for a little less risk, I mean, it's risky to go down in the 2000s in market cap and try to predict, one of these assets to skyrocket. That's tough. It's tough. Michael, exactly. Michael Magger, welcome to the stream. I agree with you there, 100%. Eric is Zach, is 183 too high of a buy-in price for Matic? I'm looking to hold for 5+ years. I think you could probably get it cheaper if you're willing to wait a little bit, Eric. One thing that I'd like to do is I'll put it in the DAI coin, this number 26 market cap, the stable coin here. Let's pull it up and kind of give you a better understanding. Eric's always in here too. Welcome back, Eric. Appreciate you hopping back in here. Down a little bit here in the 24-hour period. So, but let's take this out to the 3-month on Poly here and just kind of get an idea of where we're at. Am I considered a whale holding 5 billion coins? Yeah, kind of, John. When will Doge hit $1? Maybe by 2022. Kyle Williams, welcome. All right, so here's the 3-month. Here was the big crash that we were really excited to get in here right at this. Actually, it got down lower than that. If we pull this out, the 30-day, got down to 69 cents here in the 30-day. 90-day low, 18. So there's going to be another one of these probably, right? I think this does go under $1 again before, when you stretch this out 5 years where it could be, right? Upwards to $50 maybe even, right? But yeah, if you want to get in right now and you've got the funds and and if you hold for 5 years, I still think you're looking pretty good. But if you did wait until it broke at least $1, those returns could be a lot better with it being 183 right now. So can't really blame you either way. So Eric, hopefully that helps, but I couldn't give you an exact answer there. Peter Milan, welcome. Why is Casper not moving? On paper, it should give Ethereum a run. Not quite sure. Haven't really looked at it too much, but I do believe in Ethereum, and I think with as many assets that run on the Ethereum platform, I just don't think they have a lot of competition. I just don't think there are a lot of competitors right now to Ethereum, because Bitcoin's different. It's a different type of asset, if you ask me. Right? It's a stored value. Ethereum has the use case, and I just don't see anything really competing with it yet. Maybe one day it could be Cardano. That's why I own some of Cardano too. I think it's a nice hedge against Ethereum, and I think there's a chance that they both could coexist and both go up, right? And both help change the world for better when it comes to DeFi. But yeah, Mr. Bud, great stream. Thanks, bro. I know you're always in here. Appreciate you, man. Paul Patel, how about SafeMoon? Here's how I feel about SafeMoon. Right here. See the interest level? This is Google Trends. So would you rather, if you're just going off this, SafeMoon, this is past day, but looks the same if you go 30. So if you're looking at what people are interested in based off Google Trends, would you rather Safe Moon's in yellow? Would you rather invest in Safe Moon or Shiba Inu? That's why I'm in Sheba. One of the reasons. Lewis, what's up? Adam. Adam, I agree to some extent. Welcome to the stream. Joseph Martini, should I buy crypto or save for my divorce? Well, maybe. Can you do both? Can you do both, Joe? John, what do you think about that? Don't own it, but I know a lot of people talking about it, and probably for good reason. Algorand, like it, Chris. Nice APY there you get back on. I think it's like 6%. Don't own it at the moment, but know a lot of people who do. Check out LEV, electric school buses. It's not sexy, but a good buy and stock, in my opinion. David, okay. LEV, okay. I'll write that down. I am definitely interested in all things EV related. LEV, I'll check that out. But yeah, Tesla, NIO, Li Auto, Xpeng, some of the ones I'm interested in, and even the charging stations, ChargePoint, Plug Power, two of the ones I really like long term as well. How about VET? I like it. VeChain, I like it. It's definitely one I have some interest in. I just created a video 3 days ago, VeChain price prediction. Go check that out if you're interested in VeChain, learn a little bit more about why I like that. They got a nice niche in the supply chain space, so I like what they're doing. They got a lot of different ideas too for future growth, different industries. They're really not strapped to one industry, which I think is good. I think VeChain has a nice chance to be a big part of the future of crypto and future of DeFi. Michael, I want everyone to please read about Shiba Swap. If it goes as planned, it will be a catalyst to revolutionize the crypto market. So many good things could come from it. Should come from it. Michael, yeah, love the insight, man. Based hippie Sheba on Robinhood yet? Man, not yet. Hope so. Hope so one day. John C. Joseph 98, love your stream. Appreciate the kind words, brother. Thank you. Milk Token, a good NFT project. Cloud Life, I heard about that, right? That's the Jake and is it Jake Paul or the other Logan Paul? I heard about that a little bit. I haven't bought into the hype there, man. You know, the NFT space, I'm all in on Theta right now. That's probably going to be the one that I get into. So here's Theta, 22 in market cap right now. And you look at this chart, I mean, you could see this is still a really good price to get into Theta, if you believe in this. 667 right now, but check this out. You pull this out to, I mean, look how much we're off of the highs. Pull this out to 3 months, and you could see why I think it's, well, let's go a little bit further because it's been consolidating, I guess, for a few months. But if you pull it out a year here, you'll get to see, here you go. I mean, this thing was up here, way up here, right? What's the high? What's the 52-week high? It's got to be up there. $15.90 is the 52-week high. So we're well off of that 668. I'm still watching it a little bit because of this current action right now. You know, if it can go even lower, I'd be okay with that. So if it breaks this $6 barrier where it's kind of been stuck for a little while, that would be phenomenal because that would be a really great time to get into Theta. So that's the one I'm really watching right now in the NFT space. There are a few other ones. I like Rarible, actually. I just like their website. I like the way it looks, and that's an asset that that you can get. It's a little bit further down on the list. This is, if we go collection by net worth, CryptoPunk's way up there. There's the Sandbox, somebody mentioned. But here's the Decentraland. This is the one I like too. Decentraland is also one I really like. So I'm looking there. I'm looking at Decentraland, which is Mana, Theta, and then Engine Coin, ENJIN. Those are the three that I'm watching very closely, and the three that I'll probably add on to my portfolio soon. Let's see. Oh, got a super chat. Thank you. Who was that? Canirdo Grant. Thanks for the super chat, Canirdo. Appreciate that. Do you think she will burn some of their tokens? So Mark, Jansen, one of the people we have in the stream, brought some good insight to that, saying 50% went to Vitalik, 50% to Uniswap. So right now, as currently constructed, the devs couldn't burn any more coins. The reason why we had a burning, we'll call it a burning event, was because of Vitalik and his ownership of the 50%. So he was able to do what he wanted. But now with Shiba Swap, could that change some things? Do we have more control as investors and buyers of buying into the Shiba ecosystem? Not quite sure, but we'll probably have that answer once we see it and feel it and are able to understand what Shiba Swap is and how it's all going to work. Engine is going to be huge. Yeah, base tipping, I think so too. In fact, somebody else mentioned that. Somebody brought that to my attention, and I immediately thought, like, let me go look at this, and it was up like 20%. So I'm watching Engine really, really close, because next time it dips down to some good levels, I'm looking to add a nice position. JGam33, thanks for the super chat. Missed the whole live stream. Can't wait to get caught up. 250 million Sheba, praying for you. Just 0.05 setting times, everyone. Thank you, Zach. No problem, JGam. I know you're an avid watcher to the stream. I appreciate you, and thank you for the super chat. Appreciate that. Definitely go back and watch what you missed. We've been on for a couple hours already, so talked about a lot of things. Sheba, of course, watching the big pump today, and still looking nice right now. So let's refresh this. Okay, now we're in this downturn here a little bit, but we've been bouncing off this, and a lot of buying and selling going on by the whales, so that's good though. I mean, there's a lot of interest right now. You gotta like that. Food Critic, what's the deal with Shiba Swap and the wallets? Everyone says use wallets. Can't I just leave it? Food Critic, I'm leaving. I guess you could say I'm leaving it right now in crypto.com, but maybe I'll change my opinion when Shiba Swap comes out. I just want to learn a little bit more about the ecosystem and what the future looks like. Guys, if we can get to 500 likes, that would be awesome. That would be a big milestone. We're really close. 9 likes away. So I know there's almost 700 people in here. We've bounced up over 700 a few times, which is awesome. So if you haven't liked yet, that would really help out. It's amazing how far a like goes with the algorithm and just pushing this out to some more people. Diamond hands, Georgie. Jordan, 18 years old with 855 million Shiba here to the moon. Nice, Jordan. That's amazing. You're getting into investing that early on, too. That's awesome, man. Good for you. Cookie Chunk. I brought 1,000 bucks of BTC. Do you think I got to sell them and make a new buyer order? By the way, nice info. You earned a sub. Cookie Chunk, thanks for this. Thanks for subscribing. You bought 10,000 bucks of BTC. Man, if you bought that much of BTC and you believe in it, just hold it, man. I mean, I think it's going to go up over the years, especially when the supply becomes, it's going to decrease over time, right? So, and I know a lot of people say, well, what are you going to use Bitcoin for? It doesn't necessarily have to be used in all these transactions, right? Because I think the top scenario for Bitcoin, it's just my opinion, and this is one of the ones that they talk about a lot, is that it becomes digital gold. So gold right now is a $10 trillion market cap. Bitcoin has been up over 1 trillion recently. When it was like trading for like 64,000, it was up over $1 trillion. I think one day it overtakes gold and becomes a higher stored value than gold, a more valuable stored value, I guess. So, just my opinion, and I think a lot of other people would say that's a pretty good outlook on Bitcoin too. So Ethereum's different, right? It's more of a use case, and there's a lot of different ways that the Ethereum ecosystem can be used in how we actually, run transactions online, and the NFT space obviously booming. So it's a little bit different. Paul Patel, what's your opinion about Zaliqua? Don't know enough about it, Paul, but welcome to the stream, man. I don't know enough about that one to give you a great insight. Steve Wells, I have 85 million Sheba. Is it enough? Any number is enough, right? Michael Sanchez, thanks for the super chat. Appreciate you, man. Let's give him the likes in exchange for a sacrifice for doing this for us, the Sheba army. Let's go way beyond the moon. Doge could be there. Appreciate that, Michael. Just some great words of encouragement for everybody, so always great, man. Thanks. Michael Magger, thumbs up. Nice. Shane, just subscribed to you tonight. How often are your broadcasts? I was going every day, Shane. I took a couple days off because my sister got married, so I was with the family for a couple days. Of course, that took precedence, but once I get back to a regular schedule, plan on doing it every day for the time being. And it's probably going to be more at night. But I'll let you know once I get a better schedule going. One way you can kind of find out when I'm going live, I usually do tweet it out. So you can follow me on Twitter at @Z_Humphreys. So what else do we got? Joseph Martina BTC at Gold's cap would be 500K. Yeah, and that's why, Joseph, that's why a lot of people have a 500K price target, because they believe BTC will get to gold's market cap of 10 trillion. So I know Kathy Wood, right, the head investor at ARK Invest, she's super bullish on Bitcoin, says 500K is her price target by 2025, I believe. It might be 2030, but I think it's 2025, her 500K price target. She's super bullish on Tesla as well. Super, super interesting person to listen to. She nailed it with Tesla over the past 10 years. When a lot of other people, a lot of other experts were saying the opposite things she was saying, she stood her ground, and so far she's proved to be right. So it's somebody I listen to and respect a lot. So she's one that definitely worth a listen to, the leader of ARK Invest. Speaking of that's an ETF that I like on the stock market side of things, ARK Invest, ARKK. They have a lot of the leading innovative companies like Tesla and Zillow and DraftKings and a lot of companies. I mean, you can go and look at the list of companies that are in the ARK Invest account. Well, in fact, actually, let's pull it up. So I'll just show you as I'm talking about it. What's up to all my commanders, Food Critic? What's up, man? ARK Invest Holdings. Let's look at that. This is the ETF that Kathy Wood holds. So here we go. Let's see. This doesn't give the breakdown. Usually there's a PDF. Shoot. I don't know why this goes back and forth. Hold on, guys. Bear with me. Oh, here we go. The combined, this should give us what we need. Let's pull this up. Yeah, this will give us a little bit of, okay, so here's some of the companies. So when you invest in an ETF, you're basically holding a little bit of all these companies. So here's your weight. Tesla makes up 7% of the ETF. Teladoc Health, Square, Roku, Shopify, Coinbase, Zoom, Zillow, Spotify, CRISPR, which they're in the genomic space, Twitter, Palantir, DraftKings, DocuSign. See, they're all just get a little fraction of everything. So instead of like picking, Spotify or just Zoom and going all in, you put your money in an ETF. Now it's way less risky, but you get a little piece of all of these great companies. And she's had a nice proven track record over time, talking about Kathy Wood. So if you don't know anything about ARK Invest, check it out. There's some homework for you for tonight. Okay, Raul, how can I buy Shiba in NYC? Don't quote me on this, Raul. I think NYC is the only place where you can't purchase on Coinbase, which is the largest American exchange. So I think there's some different laws and regulations there that might be holding you back. Check out crypto.com, though. That one might allow you to. Crypto.com, check that out. Zachary Banhan, how long do you think it would take Shiba to 100x or a while? Shib to 0.03 and I'm out. Nice, Cloud Life. Yeah, that'd be nice. All right, guys, this is great. Jung, I have more than 600 million sheaves. Nice. More than 100 mil. Tim O'Brien, why are we talking about ETFs? I mean, we're bouncing all over the place, man. I hope you're okay with that. We're just, I don't know, somebody brought up the EV space, and I started talking about Tesla, and then Kathy Wood, and so got off on a tangent, man. Apologize. Edwin, don't buy SHIB. Just okay. Edwin, Field of Dreams, if we build it, they will come. Crypto Lord, Shiba Army Rise, nice. Manny Patel, do we need MetaMask or Trust Wallet for Shiba Swap? Can't really get that information right now, Manny. It's kind of, up in the air still. Probably get more insight, better insight when we get it rolled out. So, let's see. Montage. She's got 490 million sheaves. There you go. Ruben, what's up? 0.005 this year? Possible. Why not? What are your thoughts on Cold Finance and HODL token? I heard about HODL token. Don't own it yet, but I understand the premise. Food Critic XRP fan, nice. Shane, I'm pretty new to all of this. Not sure if you can answer the question. How does this trade bots work that's offered on KuCoin? Is it worth doing? Don't know what you mean there. I have heard of KuCoin, the exchange. I know it's popular. They have a lot of assets there. Shane, though, welcome to the stream. Welcome, and you are new to the crypto space, but you're still still in here early. So make sure you like, subscribe. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate you being here. Hi, Zach. Are you invested in AMC and the possible short squeeze? I was recently sold, and I'll be okay either way. If it goes up, down, I just wanted to take the profits because it's high risk. Took the profits, put it in Tesla, or some of it's in Tesla. Some of it I'm still holding and waiting to see what I want to get into with it. But it'll be something like a higher conviction stock, like a Tesla or like an Apple, something like that, where it's a little less risk. I bought 10 billion sheep yesterday. Nice, doll. Guys, 550 likes. Thank you so much. Let's try to get up to 575 now, right? We could do that. That'd be great. That'd be phenomenal if you can boost us up to 575. So we're watching the Sheba chart right now. Some great action today. Answering questions in chat. Building a nice community out, so I thank you all. Chad, thoughts on Harmony? Don't know enough to talk about that one, Chad, but welcome. Hey, do you think the Elliott wave is likely to happen in the charts? Danny, we're seeing some great action right now. We were talking about in the video that a potential spike could be imminent here in June, just looking at how it's been consolidating. Mike Walker, I'm hearing that Shiba Swap is coming out in 2 weeks. Shaitoshi confirmed this when someone on Discord asked if it'll be here within a month. He said faster. Interesting, Mike. Great insight. We did get some information earlier. We shared this on stream, so you might want to go back and check this out when you are able to. But Mark Jansen, one of our official OGs, I guess you could say, of the stream, did drop this in here. So the entire new dev team, fully doxed, we built a swap from security first mindset. They say, and they did it in record time. So this would indicate that Shiba Swap is ready to go, but just maybe doing some final audits. 1.4 billion for me. Nice, Cloud Life. Zachman 17 awoke. 100 milli woof woof. Nice. What's your opinion on ICP? ICP is an interesting one. I'm going to have to keep digging my heels into it. I know I've said it a few times. I got to do some research on it. I haven't yet done that, but I need to because it's came out of nowhere, right? In the number 11 right now in market cap. So I will. I'll have to take a look at it. Shane Seacott, he's back. Welcome, bro. Nelson Hollins, new to the channel. How do you stake Shiba Inu? Nelson Hollins, welcome to the stream, bro. I am not staking SHIB right now. And somebody who is would probably be able to tell you better on that. Right now, I have mine on crypto.com. Let's see. Taylor, 25 million. Is that not a lot? That's a good amount. I got 30 million, Taylor. So right there with you. Fanny 22, Matt, nice. Buy before June 28th. Oh, June 20th. Okay. Why then? Why then? Okay. Guys, thank you all so much today, too, for the super chats. Appreciate that. Definitely most super chats I've ever gotten on a live stream. So I think I had 4 of them already. So Appreciate that. That's really kind of you. And of course, liking and subscribing is the best way to follow and support the channel. But you can give a super chat if you're feeling froggy. That'd be cool. But understand if you can't. Either way, appreciate all of you guys being here. Very grateful. Building out a nice community here. Let's take a look at Sheba here on the CoinMarketCap list. Up 8% still in the 24-hour period. And sitting at 31. Let's see what this chart looks like from this perspective. Montage, no one is talking about ADA. Oh yeah, we've talked about ADA. Montage. We've talked about ADA. Why I love Cardano. Is Cardano the future? $88 to $22 by 2022. So yeah, bunch of live streams we've talked about Cardano. Definitely like it. Definitely like ADA. All right, let's bounce back over here. Let's go 7-day real quick. Some people are predicting Cardano to skyrocket in August. Well, I'll be holding it. JW Bucks in the UK, I'll be holding it. So here's the spike today. Nice movement. Nice movement today. If it does spike in August, I'll be holding it. Intrepid One, thanks for the super chat, super sticker. Appreciate that, my friend. Thank you so much. GraphX, they talk about scam coin. Gregory holding a good amount. Nice, Gregory. Hey, welcome back to the stream, Gregory. I remember you. Crypto Duo. Okay, Crypto Duo. That's fair. What you can hold that belief. I like Bitcoin too. What about MILF token? Yeah, Spence. They're talking about it, but you know, I'm just not jumping on that bandwagon right now. I'm just focused on Sheba and Doge in the meme coin space. But I know there's a bunch of other out there. I mean, it's not the only way to make money, guys. Being in Sheba and Doge is not the only way to take advantage of the meme community-based coins. And again, guys, you could be in the community-based coin and also have assets like Ethereum. Like, there's nothing, you know what I mean? I feel like sometimes we're like, oh, like, are you in these coins or are you in like the legit coins? Like, no, like we could be in a few, right? Across the board. But I'm definitely more heavily invested in things like Ethereum and Polygon and Cardano. So those are my top 3 holdings. Nathan Hazak, have you looked into Dent Coin before? If so, what's your opinion? Heard of it, haven't looked into it, Nathan, but welcome to the stream. Positive vibes, good energy, always. Armand, you're the man. Manny Patel, your price prediction during or after Shiba Swap release. What I've been saying, Manny, is I would like to see us get back to all-time highs somewhere around when Shiba Swap's released, even the few weeks after. Give it a little bit of time to, even if we got somewhere back to this 2.4 level, I think that would be really, really good. We pull it out at the 3-month. Yeah, we could see, getting up in here, this 2.4 level, I think with Shiba Swap would be nice. And then maybe just consolidate there for a while. I want to own multiple NFTs. What is the future? There you go, Cloud Life. Asking some questions in chat to other people. Love it. And bond, Sheba can go to 0.01 eventually. I think so. Yeah. You wake tomorrow, 1 million in your account. What are you spending on? Christian, wow. I would probably go. Christian, that's a great question. A lot of it would go into investing. First thing I would probably do is buy like a cabin in a remote area in the mountains somewhere. And then I wouldn't spend a ton on it, but a decent amount, just a decent place. Then I would go. I would probably go really low risk with the majority of it. Probably put it in like the, probably like a SPY, like an ETF, like just covering the Fortune 500 companies, S&P 500. Put a decent amount in there, and then a decent amount into Ethereum and Bitcoin, and then have some play money with some other assets. So yeah. Let's see. Probably some mutual funds too, Christian. But I wouldn't buy a lot of things. I'm pretty, what do they call that? Low maintenance, or what is it when you don't buy a lot of things? What do they call that? Minimalist. I'm a minimalist when it comes to, I guess, things. Let's see. 90 million sheep. Nice, nice. Nice, Frank P. Doge. Yeah, that's my hope, brother. Frank P. That's my hope, man. That's kind of what I envisioned when I initially got into sheep, because it actually has a chance to happen, right? I mean, because this is number 31, so why not, man? That's what I'm thinking. Eric Broyce, do you think Robinhood? Oh, lost it. Something about Robinhood, though, right? Yeah, it'd be great if Robinhood added it. Obviously, it'd be great. PJ, stop spamming the chat, please. Crypto for beginners. What do you think about Shiba Inu? Yeah, it's making some good run. It's making some good run right now. I'm invested in 4, no more than 4. I like it, Gregory. Nice. Can someone ban this guy? Yeah. We're gonna see 0.5, 50 cents. Man, Tom, that's you know, high aspirations, my friend. But let's get to 1 cent first. How about that? Paul Patel, we don't know when Bone will launch. We just know that it's undergoing security tests. Well, that's Shiba Swap, and then Bone could come out with Shiba Swap. You would think. If they roll it all out together, that would make a lot of sense. But we'll see. I'm really interested in what this looks like right here. NFTs. What is that going to look like? Okay, what do we got? Edwin, yeah. Harry Pineapple, what's your price prediction for the next month? Don't really have a price prediction for the next month. I mean, I want to see majority, like spikes like this, and then consolidation. Spike, then consolidation. Spike, consolidation. So that's kind of where I'm, looking. I don't necessarily have a number in mind, because I'm planning on holding this for a little while, right? I just want to see positive action and positive things being said about the future of the ecosystem. Okay. Safe Moon legit. Peter, a lot of people think so. I'm not in it, but one of the reasons, Peter, I talk about here, right here. So, past 30 days, worldwide interest over time in Google Trends. Safe Moon's in the yellow. So, if you go off just this, which one would you want? Probably the one that most people are interested in, and that's Shiba and Shiba Inu. These are, this is worldwide too, so this is a global picture, right? So you look at Safe Moon, not as much of an interest. Look at Brazil, look at the breakdown. Look at Argentina. Look at the breakdown here in Australia. A little closer, but still. Who's got the edge in the past 30 days? United States, a little closer, but who's got the edge? Come down to Mexico, who's got the edge? Not even close. Okay? Start bouncing around in the Middle East, who's got the edge? Look in India, who's got the edge? 1.38 billion people here. Okay? Same thing with some of the countries in Europe here, right? Who's got the edge? So that's where I'm looking. That does play a role for me. You think? First goal is to hit all-time high first. Yeah, exactly, Frank. Hit that all-time high first. Heading down a little bit here. Let's refresh. We did have a nice support here when it got down here at 145. It bounced back up, so maybe we could retrace here. That'd be nice. It'd be good to see if we head back up from here, because we're getting close. There it goes. Okay, that's good. Heading back up. That's good. That's good. Okay, Buck, what's up? Let's see. Gamer price prediction. I would say 2025, 1 cent would be like a pretty balanced time frame. Like not too soon. That's just it's going to take time. Look at Dogecoin. How long it took. Think Dogecoin will leave as the dominant meme coin, or will it compete? I think Doge will forever be #1 meme coin. In my opinion, I do. I think, but there's another one that could coexist, right? You can have two in the top 10. I mean, it's like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think they're both going to do well in the next, 10 plus years and beyond. Okay, guys, I am going to, it's been 2.5 hours. It's been fun. Got to get some other things accomplished, but I might go back on later tonight. Had a lot of fun here, building out the community. Had a lot of new people in here today. So here on your way out, make sure you like and subscribe. Actually, before we get out of here, can we get 9 more likes to 600? That would be great. Thank you, everyone, for the super stickers today, super chats. Much appreciated. And let's get the last couple things here. Sheba wants to be a legit coin. Yeah, Blake, I agree. I agree, Jessica. I tried Binance. They didn't accept my U.S. passport pass. Yeah, I hear you. It could be tough. Joey, thanks. Yeah, no problem, man. Rom, what's up? Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Up over 600 likes. Thank you all so much. Appreciate that. And I know some people heading out. And make sure on your way out, hit the subscribe button too. And we're going to continue building out a nice community. We'll continue to keep tabs on Sheba. Some nice movement today. So figured why not pop on with all of you and hang out. So this has been fun. As always, thank you. Very grateful for all of you guys. Happy Memorial Day for all the people here in the States that are celebrating. Thanks, man, for your time. Yeah, thank you, Shane. Thanks for being here, brother. No problem. All right, guys. Might be on later tonight. Follow me over on Twitter, and should tweet out if I do come on, before I come on, rather. It's at @Z_Humphrey, so you can follow me over there on Twitter. And guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully Sheba continues this nice upward trend that we're seeing. So thanks, guys. I will see you all in the next one.